show. Every Saturday, 12 p.m. Pacific on YouTube and Twitch, where content creators and makers meet up and chat about their projects. Have a question? We might have the answer. Like, subscribe, and share. See you on the Jerry Show. Let's go! Let's go! To reality, every project a new spree. Collaboration lights the way. In Jerry's world we play. Live on YouTube, live on Twitch. 3D HP's got the edge to bring
Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your What's going on, everybody? My dogs are barking at me because I'm talking in the background. Hope you had a great week. How's it going? Hey, I just gave you 2 crackers. Go use the bathroom. Go drink water. Do something. Hey, yeah. Anyway, I've lost my train of thought. We're gonna have a great show. Hope everybody's had a great week. We're gonna have a great show today. We talk about 3D printing and lasers and CNCs and dogs and food and all kinds of stuff. Let me bring in my guests in the back room and we'll get going. Hey, what's going
Howdy,
on?
everyone.
Howdy, howdy.
Yeah, I'm alright.
Hey, Kenny.
Hey, word.
There you go, doggy.
A little bit of a back pain today again.
Well, that's not good.
No. Been moaning and groaning. Oh, God.
See, say hi to
Terrible.
chat. Hello, Sergio, Loopy Lou, Baker Millwright, Free Heathen. What's going on? My mom, Tanya. Hello, hello. Kenny, of course. LB Betty Boop. That's my wife, Brandy. Da Vinci. And my dog, Nikita. Stop. No more. Anyway, hope everybody's had a wonderful, great, cool week. I got goodies in the mail the other day. Dave Gatton. Hello, hello. How you doing today?
I'm not gonna say what this little jar reminds me of.
Trade Steelers Anonymous. Hello, hello.
You know what this little jar reminds me of?
What?
the,
I don't know.
the 80s.
Oh, okay. Oh, Rush.
Yeah. Anyways,
I remember Rush.
yeah, I know. No, I'm gonna try this stuff out. It's from Slice Engineering. It's plastic repellent for your, for your hot end, so you don't get it all gooked up and stuff. Just came the other day. I ordered it, so it's from Slice Engineering, and you
Nice.
put it on your head so you don't get built up.
Wow. Yeah, I've never even heard of that stuff before.
Let me try it out.
Big Bad Joe, what's going on, guy? The Jedi Edge of 3D. Scott, hello, hello. Hope everybody's had a wonderful day, wonderful week. I've been working on my CNC all week. And yeah, come to find out, normally I do CNC stuff in the wintertime, and my machines work fine. But 2 different weeks I had issues, and I had my program Candle 2 days ago. It had 2 alarms, and almost a third it blinked on me. Actually, 3 alarms on the software on my PC, and it screwed my jobs up. I was milling some aluminum, but my door was shut. There's no air conditioning out there, and I had the door. Well, actually, the door was cracked about 6 inches, and I wasn't getting enough ventilation in my garage. So I think the machine, the Jimitsu by SaneSmart, I think the machine, the control board got too hot, and that's what was throwing in air, and that's why it screwed up my work. And ladies and gentlemen, we've got somebody new coming in. We got Al, known as Kilroy. What's going on? Howdy, howdy.
Hey.
Yeah, I give you the Kilroy. Hello, folks. I hope everyone's doing well.
Yeah, alright.
Are you all right? Just all right?
Just a little bit of a backache and terrible.
I was saying, Stan, Matt, my back was bothering me a while ago, so I moved this table over here where it's at, and Matt was sitting there and I was hooking everything up and moving it around, and now I'm standing up. Al, you wear a back brace?
No.
Oh, yeah.
That's where it's been hurting me, and it's like I can't go down and come back up without feeling some form of is it pleasure or is it pain?
Pain.
Maker Millwright, we'd love to have you. There. I shared that out a bit ago. There's a link there if you'd like to drop in. Hello, Klondike. Sean, how you doing today?
Hello, Sean.
And he's on a couple times a week, Sean. I'm always miss his show. Sometimes I catch him and I'm usually watching something else, and then I get back on YouTube and I'm looking around. It's like, oh, it just ended. So that happens a lot. Ladies and gentlemen, Maker Millwright is here.
Woo-hoo!
What's going on, buddy?
Good morning. I don't need to do the intro today because you did such a good job. I was sitting in lobby and you did such a good job, Jerry. High energy. Let's go, man.
Yeah, my dog was barking and kind of screwed it up, and I lost my train of
No,
thought.
you did perfect, even with the dog barking.
Yeah, there's been times I'll before the stream, I usually set up a couple hours early, and I'm talking to Matt. And Kenny sometimes will come in early, and I'm really down and out, and I don't feel like streaming. But when the stream comes on, I start acting like this, and it's all, yeah. It's easy to turn on and off.
You gotta get pumped up, right? You gotta get pumped up. You gotta get that juice, move that blood.
You do. Yeah.
Also, good morning to everybody. Good morning, Kenny. Good morning, Matt. Good morning, Kilroy.
You mean good evening?
Good morning, good evening, good afternoon.
Is that-
That's what
No
Sam
matter
Prentice
where
used to
you
say
are
that.
around the world,
Sam Prentice used to say that all the time.
welcome to Jerry's world.
Yeah, we're living in Jerry's world. Yeah, there's a lot of it. Like, I don't like that whole good morning time zones and stuff. Good morning, Matt. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. You know, we're happy to have you, right?
I got something goodies in the mail from eBay the other day.
Yeah, I heard. Show me.
I've been waiting for a couple weeks. See, I got my linear rails for my CNC.
Oh my gosh.
I got 6 of these. So it has rollers on it right now. I'm getting rid of the rollers and I'm putting on linear rails.
Yeah.
Nice.
How are you liking that Sane Smart? You have a Sane Smart, right? Didn't
Yeah,
you just do a
they're
video?
great little machines. Yeah, I like them. Ladies and gentlemen, we got the one and only Sprinkle Nets. Dave.
Oh, I have a
I'm
chicken to
here.
pluck with you.
Uh-oh.
So it's plural nips.
Well, technically, it's still nip, right? Well,
Okay.
it's normally it's nips, but it's still nip right now, unless we got to 1500 before the end of the day today.
Do you have a PA at your job, at your work? Is there any kind of a PA system?
Only for the fire alarms.
Oh, so nobody could call you over a PA. They don't do that no more.
No.
Sprinkle Nips, come to room 211, please. Sprinkle Nips.
No, not anymore. We do cell phones and basically text messages, the easiest way. There's systems and programs, apps that do it. We can take pictures, and it sends it to different people in the hotel and what they need to do.
Cool.
I just wanted to say thank you for all the hard work you're doing.
Oh, I appreciate it. Thank you.
I tune into the streams and I do what I can, but I really appreciate what you're doing.
Thank you. It's for a good cause. That's the point. It's for a good cause. Jerry, what is that? Oh, what is that?
Hey!
Look at
Jerry,
that.
did that arrive? That arrived for you? Wow.
Yeah, it's nice. Yeah,
It
my
didn't-
wife's loving the shirt. She took a shower this morning. She has it on. She'll probably pop in a little bit. She's in chat, but she'll wear it out here and show you guys. But yeah, that's awesome. Looks really cool. And then I got an American bat cat.
That cat.
Really cool. She claimed some of my stickers, but these are the 2 things I brought out here to show you guys. These are really cool. These are from Dave and Terry. And here comes the woman right now wearing the shirt. Hold on. Go back to that camera.
Where's Terry at?
Terry's knocked out sleep. Terry is completely asleep because we were up last night going back and forth about what tonight's stream is going to be.
Hot sauce and pickles?
Hot sauce has been on the table for the entire week, and we've only gotten maybe 3
There she
tasters
is.
on the hot sauce. Nice.
Hey, Betty Boop.
And we got a little Jerry on the arm here.
Ooh.
Little smudge, but yeah.
That's awesome.
Terry, I like it.
I will definitely tell Terry you're enjoying it.
He's back, so.
No barking,
What do you
Nikita.
want? What do you want? You don't have any guns, Jake.
Just give the barker some crackers. And she quiets right up. Bark, bark, bark.
Korgecki Designs. Hello. How you doing today?
It's the mayhem.
Hello, Ben. Hey, all first-time watcher from the UK with 2 Bamboo X1Cs and a Bamboo A1. Awesome. Very nice.
A1
to meet
for the
you,
win.
sir. What? Yeah, for Ethan's here. Go down. Let's see.
Hi, Betty Boop.
Hey, prop dude.
Hi, how are you?
Can you hear her talking?
Yeah, I can hear her.
Yeah, she's in the kitchen. Kitchen's right next to this room.
Hey, prop dude.
Sit. Sit.
Anyway, anything you guys want to talk about that's hobby related? Go for it.
I want to see more of that jellyfish on your desk.
Touch you.
Jellyfish on the desk.
Yes.
Jellyfish light.
That thing is nuts.
Freelaserfiles.com.
I done the second one. I done one for my wife. I painted it just like this one. Then I done a second one for me, which I think I got a video out on it. I didn't film gluing it together, but instead of using wood glue and taking 3, 4, 5 hours for the wood to set up, I just used super glue. Then I went on Home Depot's website and I got a bulb for $10, a $7 socket off Amazon, and you can control it with your phone. It changes colors, does whatever. But something weird happened. Our power went out last 2 nights ago. I woke up in the middle of the night and there's one of these in the living room. My wife's is sitting in the living room, but it's turned on. And then in my hobby room, in my laser room, is where this one was sitting. It was turned on. So for some reason, when the power went out, when it came back on, it activated it. I don't know why or how, but
It's
controlled.
probably Kilroy, correct me if I'm wrong though. It's probably just a short bridge, right? Where the switch doesn't fully click off with the when the power shortage goes.
I have no idea, but you have to turn it on and off with your app on your phone.
Is it
The only way to control it.
run by a little controller of some kind, or
He says it's on his phone, and I'll bet you it's the circuit board internally, right? Not fully discharging.
well, yeah, on
Nice.
the controller, that
This is Terry's first laser cut print that she did.
That's
Nice.
off. Where'd you get the file from?
I think it was from. Oh no, this one was from Maker World.
Okay,
We stole it off of Maker World's 3D printing
nice,
laser section.
cool.
Hello, Frostbite.
So Dave, you get my message
Which one? The one about the EBB?
about the plate type not showing up in the software?
I did not. Hold on, I might have missed that one.
Yeah, because I can't select plate type like I can in Bamboo or
Hey,
Studio.
Frostbite Digital, how you doing?
For the carbon or for the boron?
For the carbon.
You're in oh shoot.
Orca.
You're in Orca, right?
Well, not right this second, but yes.
Right. Yeah, but you're saying that the plate's not showing up?
It's the selection to be able to select plates is grayed out.
Oh, that's so what you can do is I can it's real simple. You're gonna go to select your printer. On the right hand side there's a little looks like a pencil and paper. When you click it, it's your printer settings. Go down to your 1, 2, 3, fourth tab or your fourth selection, which is support multi bed types. When you click on that, that'll open up your bed types for you. And that'll bring up all of the bed types you can use.
Yeah, this is not a bad little printer. I like it.
I told you.
Nice.
That's Century Carbon, and if everyone who has it loves it, everybody who doesn't have it says it's a cheap printer, and then they get their hands on it and they go, man, this thing's actually really good.
Prop dude, wait till you get your hands on some milling machines. Like Jerry has some like straight up milling machines, but remember that Snapmaker makes like 3-in-1s, so if you want to be able to print and mill, whatever. But I see you got 3 Bamboos. Wait till you get a lab of 5 or 6, and then wait till you get variable sizes. Because the size you're working on right now, Prop dude, that's actually still really small.
Here's something I milled this week
Blanch plates?
out of aluminum. They're mounting plates for the big CNC I'm working on for the Z-axis, where it goes up and down. I'm working on.
Blanch.
But I had one of these fail on me. The machine, well, the bit got anyway. What was it? The software? Yeah, Candle. I was running Candle. I was having trouble cutting them out the other day. It got hot on me. I had 3 alarms go off. I had to stop on the job. But I live in Vegas. The garage is only cracked a few inches, and there's no air conditioning in my garage. And normally I'm out in the garage working on CNC projects in the wintertime. So I'm assuming that the machine just got too hot with the heat, and the stepper drivers might have got too hot and was throwing errors. But here's some things I'm working on.
Yeah, that can happen a ton.
I couldn't do it in my first video, but I got another video coming out. I had to peck drill all these. In my first video, people were like, why did you peck drill them? I didn't know how. Now I do. And then after I peck drilled them, I went in and I hand tapped all these. Because bolts have to fit in here. And then I didn't have the proper bit to countersink, so I used a drill bit to countersink these 3 up here.
How
I
did
set
that
them on my bench press, and I ran the drill bit down a countersink.
do good?
Because the countersink bits that I had were for wood.
Yeah.
And then here, I broke a tap. I got to tap all 4 of these little ones out right here. I was tapping this one. I broke my tap, so I got 2 more coming in the mail today. I've got to go through and finish tapping these holes. Then these plates here will be finished.
What style of taps did you order?
They're drill taps.
Okay. Yeah, drill taps are fine.
It's got a drill bit on the top, then threads. So you run the bit in, and it cuts the hole, and then the chases with the threads right after it. And I was using WD-40 for a coolant.
Yeah, with aluminum,
Let's see.
I'd have to go look, but you don't want to use a silicone. I think you want to use, is it kerosene? Rapid tap is something you might want to look into.
WD-40 number one ingredients, kerosene in WD-40. I googled it. I googled it before I did it.
Yeah. Oh wow!
That messes with your eyes, thinking, "Oh, what's wrong with my eyes?"
It threw me off so bad when I printed this. I almost fell over trying to take it off the bed.
I need a banana for reference.
Yeah, where's the banana for reference?
I don't even oh, it's packed over in my other prints. But wait, let's see. What do I have for reference? Let me see. Oh, bottle of soda. No, well, there you go. Red Bull. Can of Red Bull.
Wow. I bet you could put a six-pack in that thing.
So this, and I was thinking afterwards, I'm like, this could be a carrier.
Yeah.
But what I did was I just maxed out the build height on the new Ender 5 Max just to see if I could get it to print without any wobbles and everything else. It still has a few artifacts in it, but
Frostbite Digital. I was using G-Sender last week in my first video on my channel, and I kept having trouble with it pausing on me and holding and having alarm errors. I forget exactly what it was doing, but that's because I just updated and I needed to roll it back. So then when I went to Candle, I was able to complete my projects last week. And I don't usually use Candle, but I have. And so I fell back to Candle this week. The G-Sender screwed my projects up last week. Check out my video cutting those aluminum brackets on my CNC. You'll see what I'm talking about. But I have to revert. I got to roll back G-Sender to the previous version and then try it again. Or air cut something. That would solve the problem. Instead of wasting material, load a file, run G-Sender, and let it air cut for an hour and see how it holds up. See if it throws any errors. Just don't have a bit in it. So.
There you go. Yeah.
Hello, Simon. Hello, Ladybug.
Prop dude, Ladybug. I'm getting way behind here.
Where's CR10 Pro V?
Hey Simon, how you doing today?
walk all over me, girl.
See, prop dude.
Good evening, Simon.
I like Elegoo's. I got snap makers and bamboos in my lab right now, but I actually really like Elegoo's, and I stand by that because if you guys don't know, Elegoo makes like a lot of Arduino parts and Arduinos, so they know how to make a circuit board. So it's like everyone who's like, because remember, like I love weird machines, right? But I'll be honest with you, like Neptune 2S, I think S, Neptune 3 Pro, yeah, like they're good machines. So yeah, don't ever jump down on them. And then CR10 S5. Let's talk about the heavy mods. I'd love to hear it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, Jerry, what do you think? Print and place trucks, buddy. What do you think?
Oh, nice.
My first batch went to my local food bank, right, for the kids, but I got a few more on the way. But first print and place designed by me. What do you think, buddy?
They're good. Do they fold together or anything, or they're just solid like that?
Just one piece. Prints like this. Prints on the flat.
Oh, prints on the side, okay.
Yeah, just like Jayton 3D or Fix 'em Dude.
Fix 'em Dude, yeah.
Yeah.
Great job.
What else I got? I gotta find some more stuff for you, Jerry. I once, gotta find you some cool stuff, dude.
Hello, Sergio. Yes, everybody, please smash the like button and subscribe. Liking is free. Appreciate it.
Oh, I got something really nerdy for you.
Okay, hold on. Sprinkle Nibs has something here real quick.
Ooh.
It's the giant new Wexter print, and it's extremely detailed. It's got all the fur in it and everything.
Looking at the fur, wow.
Isn't the voice actor for that character, isn't he the one that passed away?
I couldn't tell you, to be honest with you.
The Hawaiian guy for one of those cartoons just passed away a few weeks ago.
But a Creality did it, but a Bamboo couldn't, even though it's a little baby small. The Bamboo failed on the arm. So don't talk about your bamboos.
No, that's why, like, everybody's always getting down on, all these other brands, and everybody wants those premium brands. And I'm just like, no, I for sure, like, I even tell people, go get those Ender 3s still, because they're now all direct drive.
Oh,
I did. Oh, go ahead.
Why you want to Ender 3 is you can take your old Ender 3s and make them into like a duo Ender. Oh, that's way. I'm not getting up for that. I'm on headphones today. But
Hey, Rex, how you doing today?
you take two old Ender 3 OGs, put them together and get a Core XY. You can get an NG. You can get a duo Ender. There's like 6 different variations of recycling old Ender 3s into new printers. So even if you have an older one that's just sitting around, recycle it up and bring it up to today's standards.
Oh, Cloudhammer. Well, there's a couple of things.
Cloudhammer.
There's the EDM machine that you can do.
Yep.
There's the Infinite Z. Hey, Shrimp Father!
Martin.
There's the Infinite Z. There's the Infinite Z
Infinite
belt
Z.
machine. Hey, GTR. What else is there? There's the Core XY. There's the Core X.
Core XZ.
Core XZ. Yep, that's the one.
Wow, we got a lot of people coming in. We never got rated, did we? No, I didn't hear anything.
I may have posted to my Discord. I was over saying hello.
Well, I appreciate a lot of people are flowing in. Appreciate each and every one of you guys. Please smash that like button. And if you'd like to come in on camera, just scroll up a little bit. You'll see the link there. If we know who you are, you're welcome to come in and talk about your hobby stuff.
Polar printer, like Da Vinci just pointed out. There's a lot, and like even so, like for a budget inbound machine, there's a lot you can do with them. It's just, hi Cybertech. You just need an aftermarket like mixer, like a AMS, MMU, whatever you want to call it. I have something fancy to show you guys though.
Hey Chris Mink, thank you for resubscribing on Twitch. I appreciate you very much. 34 months, that's a long time.
Wow, let's go! 34! Woot woot!
Hey, I got something to show Chris Mink. Did you get this in the mail?
He didn't get his yet. His only went out just the other day.
but didn't he win his before me?
Oh, God.
It looks really cool, Chris. This is really awesome. You're really going to like yours. Oh. Anyway, very cool.
Chris should be there on Monday, so he should be good for his.
And with mine? You said mine was fried?
No, not yet. I told you. Those go out on Saturday.
Ladies and
gentlemen,
Clownhammer.
I got mine in June.
What's up, man?
Howdy.
Hello, sir.
Howdy.
What'd you get metal, Clownhammer? Your aluminum.
For what Dave was talking about, the Duender.
Yep.
Oh, cool.
So I gotta take it down and put it on the bandsaw and cut it out.
Nice.
You could do it in plastic. You can still do it in plastic, Clown.
I thought about doing it. The thought crossed my mind, but Captain Kern said he tried it and it didn't work.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got Sean Klondike.
Hey guys.
Howdy.
Howdy.
So, yeah, the thought crossed my mind because I did print everything out. It's around here somewhere. I did print the plates out to try and to do it. He said, he says it doesn't work so well. So
is it because of the flexibility or why?
He just said it didn't work so well. Maybe the putting the cam because I'm going to do the wheels instead of the rails. So maybe the cams waller out the plastic.
Well, I've been milling aluminum on my CNC in the garage all week. There's nothing scarier than you spend a bunch of money on a bit and you're watching that bit come down and touch the aluminum. You're thinking, "Oh my God, don't break." Yeah, hope you get your feeds and speeds right, but it all worked out. Hello, Sean. How you doing today, my friend?
Oh, taking it easy. In-laws are in town visiting.
Hello, how you doing? Hello, Terry.
Yeah, these are the plastic ones, Clownhammer. You said they're not going to work, so I got
That's what Captain Kern said. He said that they sucked.
What are you using them for?
the dual enders to turn two old OG Ender 3s into a Core XY.
Yeah, I think Clownhammer's got it right. Because once you start torquing on it.
Howdy, Jason.
Yeah, here, I grab mine real quick here.
Well, when you were saying it would like bore out, it would bore out the fitting. That for sure makes sense to me as the cam turns.
Yeah. So I'm ready for I just need the plates and the belts, and then I gotta cut my gantry, but
Hey,
that's
Sean.
easy.
Hello, Sean.
But
Hello, Kenneth.
I love pre-crimped wires. You know that?
Hey,
Yes,
Jason.
I do too. If I could get them.
yeah, so
All right, Dave.
The only thing is, then you gotta solder them in and splice them. But I hate messing with those little oil connectors. I mean, I can do it, but I hate it.
on your 2.4.
Yeah. So I ordered these pre-crimped wires off of Amazon.
Oh,
In other words, where they got the connectors on these things.
Been sitting on the floor since he started it.
oh,
Yeah, they got the little tips on them already.
oh. See, I cheated.
So
I really cheated.
Well, yeah, you can get the plugs too already done, like 2, 3.
Yeah.
I get those sometimes too, but
Hush.
or I just make them. But I prefer not to.
Yep.
Yeah.
Already
Hey,
done.
Terry.
Terry,
Here we go. Here's the shirt.
there's your shirt.
Nice.
By the way, how does this look?
Yes, he loves it.
Does this look pretty nerdy enough? My look. I mean, does this look nerdy?
You look
You need
fine.
a light. You need a light,
You
Kenny.
didn't.
Where's
You
your
didn't
light?
turn the light on.
Yeah,
I gotta charge it. The battery's dead.
Yeah, it's not nerdy enough without the light. You gotta have the light.
Yeah.
All right.
That's like work for me. I wouldn't say that's nerdy at all.
Oh, Clownhammer, did you use the brackets to move your Z motors? Otherwise, you have to cut your rods. So if you use these, you don't have to cut your actual rod.
By the way, speaking of
I
rods,
used what was. No,
This.
I did not use that. I need them print that.
Yeah, when you put it on, you'll actually notice the gantry's going to hit on the top where the.
Oh, yes, I see that.
Yeah, so you have to put these that'll actually bring it down some, just enough so it clears it.
Okay, yeah.
I'll send you the link.
Yeah. Oh, cool. Thank you. Yeah, I knew. I read it that he had to cut his screws, his lead screws, but
Yeah, all it is just an adapter, and it just drops it down. You're
just
gonna
drop
lose.
it.
You're gonna lose maybe roughly 10 millimeters of height.
That's not terrible.
But again, yeah, you're not cutting nothing, so you ain't got to worry about overheating your rod and causing it to warp a little bit.
Right.
Yeah, lock the lube. You get your rod hot.
speaking of rods, Dave, I noticed when I got my printer the other day, I had to lube my rods. Those things were dry.
Quiet.
I think you should always lube your rods.
Well, you should de-oil them first because they'll have cutting oil on them.
Yeah, clean them first, and then rub them. Yep.
Yeah.
Like for sure, like we can tease about that all we want, but like for real, just like any metals you get cut by a supplier, you should degrease them first and then reapply. It's just like 101 because the cutting fluid they use may be corrosive or other, right? But I have something to show you, Jerry.
Sure.
So this. So this is Pet CF17. I know. You're like, what am I looking at, Maker?
I want to pull it and start it like it's a lawnmower house.
We're close.
Yeah.
It is the prototype concept design for a steam boiler.
Oh.
I sort of did some of my designing live, but I hadn't shown off the finished. And so the idea would be you apply heat with the plug attached so that your output, so you get enough temperature internally. There's actually an internal gasket between the upper half and the lower half made out of TPU, and the TPU plug is. But once you start seeing steam come out the top, you then connect steam to your loop, and then reset your return. You'll see the bore of the return is much larger than the output.
Yeah.
So I just figured, you know, because you're into all like the engineering side of it, Jerry. I figured you'd love that.
Very cool.
Distance is futile.
Very nice.
Hello, Mr. Diesel.
Well, Mr. Diesel.
Assimilated.
Diesel.
Jerry, can I see your Death Racer?
I don't have one.
Isn't that what's the thing up in the top right hand? Well, your top left hand corner, the green thing. With it looks like it's got wheels.
Yeah. This is before Death Racer days.
That one. Yeah. What's that?
After we did the egg bots, Mrs.
Yeah, yeah. Can I see everybody's Death Racers, please?
The Brood 2 U-Bot or whatever, you put soda cans in the back and you got a servo that pops up the cans, it drives around. I've never taken them outside, it just sits there and rots.
That looks good, Clown Hammer.
Here, let me
That
change
looks really good.
Hello,
3D.
please.
Yep.
That's pre-Death Racer days.
I got questions. That's why I'm asking. I've never seen
is
this,
the
Jerry.
chicken
That's
voice.
amazing.
See a servo in the back, it opens up on it. His head turns on servos, and when he's driving, his hands go like this.
That's fantastic.
He turns left, turns right. Back to Sam Prentice, Mr. Badley. These are his designs. Me, see, DeWitt, Tim, Tripod, John, Sam Prentice, and who else was it up in Canada?
Offset.
Offset. Marcel.
Offset.
Marcel was in on some of the videos with us. And I did this one. I did an egg bot, which is similar. It's got an R2D2 head on it. Then I got a couple little bitty ones up there.
I'm bugging Offset to do a meetup and an IRL with me because we're close.
Uh-huh.
I'm bugging him so bad, and then I gotta go bug DeWitt, but I'm trying to get Offset to come hang out. Okay, Sparkle Nips, can I take a couple looks at that? So I the
Does
tribe
not have its head on it right now.
yeah, that's fine. The tribe is really bugging me about it. Really nice, Clown Hammer. So is that front fork actuated?
It is actuated. Unfortunately, I messed it up, and right now the servo's dead on it.
That's fine.
But I have another servo to put in here. It should be using 2 servos, but I bought then you need 1 reverse, 1 forward.
Yeah.
And even when I cross the wires, it still would only go in 1 direction. So I'm gonna have to get 2 new servos. I only had a 25 kilogram on here.
Yeah.
It really needs 2 25s or at least 1 35 or 40.
Okay.
But it will lift. It will lift somebody.
What was the major setback? Like, so I've heard lots of opinions. I know they're on version 3 of the main body assembly now.
Yeah, of the body, yeah. Version
Body,
3.
yeah.
So
Number 2 on the kit, 3 on the body.
yeah, well, remember I'm
Yeah.
like super proud of Sam, right? He brought. Oh, look at that hole. Go on, Jerry.
Yeah, this one makes noise. It makes chirps and sounds and things like that.
Nice.
That's crazy. I've never seen those. Like in all of my time, I've never seen those.
And
So-
we're also building a second one with different variations on it. So here's the main base of the actual unit.
Okay.
So this is your core, and your battery goes in here. You just screw on the bottom plate to put everything in. My holdup was wiring and only wiring. Everything else was easy except for the wiring.
And that was off kit version 1 or kit version 2?
This one is off of kit 1.
Okay.
We have
Yeah,
version
same
2
here.
coming in now.
Okay.
So once version 2 gets here, the only difference with version 2, I believe, is they've changed a few components and added
Yeah.
extra components. But
They-
nothing major. Some pieces were missing in V1 for the version 3 body.
A better switch, because I blew out 2 of the on-off switches. What's that?
So mine's still good. My
No,
V1's
no,
good.
I popped both mine and Cake's. They poof, and then it's got the 14 gauge wire and a.
That's the primary wire, right?
Yeah, that's the one that goes from the switch to the battery. In the old one, in the first version, what it give you, like a 20 gauge or 22 gauge, 2 wires that you didn't know what you were, and then what else? There was some. I think they give you enough heat sets that you don't have to get extra from outside.
That and a whole mess of pins.
And the pins.
Oh yeah, the pins. Here, let me go get the kit.
I was short on mine. Yeah, the pins that go in here. In the
the track dowels. Okay.
They look like
Track
pencil
dowels.
lead, yeah.
Yeah,
so
the 2 millimeter.
you can either print one single tread, that goes
Yep.
all in one piece, or you can put them in individually and then put the pins in. I prefer the pins. It just
And
kind of flows better for me.
And I've got Mala makers where you print the tracks. You print the tracks and then in ABS or what have you,
And put
and
insert.
then put inserts. So let's see, they give you a better switch.
That is my. I have the same kit. It's out in the house. Yeah, Piranha.
Yeah.
Yeah, Piranha kit.
Yeah, mine's in the house.
Ducky! I see it, Ducky.
Yeah, give you the. You gotta have the duck.
Does it
You know
squeak?
it's BTT went.
It's not official without a duck.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, they give you 3 pieces of 14 gauge versus 2 pieces of 20, and then all the screws and.
Yeah.
I think they gave you more pins too. Yeah, there's a ton of. Oh my, yeah, they give you. There's definitely more pins in there than in the first kit.
Yep.
You know what? I think the next time. Okay, now I better not. I'm not gonna say this. You guys are freak.
Oh, don't worry, Jerry. Don't worry. We were talking about you the other day.
No, I was just thinking about colonoscopies and those little ducks, but I'm not gonna explain it. Could you imagine if they're sitting there with their camera looking around, they see a little duck, think, "Oh my God, who is this?
Yeah.
What's he doing?"
Yeah,
Write
but
hello on it, roll Sharpie.
yeah,
Oh, I thought you were going to promise us you were going to go to Rocky Mountain.
It hasn't happened yet.
I know. Trust me. They asked me yesterday about it. I was like, if I go to Rocky Mountain, I'm going to be on Jerry about it because Jerry's close.
Yeah, it'll happen eventually.
But I still have more questions about death racers, if that's okay.
Go ahead. Fire
Sure,
away.
ask all you want.
Okay, so like the tribe wants me to look at it, right, and do a thing, and I said before I redesign anything or change anything, I want to build the kit, right? So is that like purely soldered connections, or can I crimp it?
Crimp it.
Grim.
Crimp is okay.
Yeah. These are all connected with Wagos.
Yes.
Yeah,
Okay, so you know what I'm talking about. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, they give you the Wagos too.
Oh, perfect.
Yep.
Yeah, they give you, and I even on mine I use the crimp on, the barrel connector for the just to make sure. But yeah, they give you the
Great job,
Wagos and all that.
Oh, nice.
The only thing you don't get is a battery.
Okay, no, I'm cool with that. Because, like, the one thing I was saying was, like, up here in Canada,
Wow.
batteries are more money, but if I come down to the States, I can get a battery or somebody can loan me a battery. I'm not worried about that.
Yeah.
But,
And your bag. Got to get a bag.
Yeah.
Sorry?
You gotta get a lipo
Yeah.
bag. A
Fire
lipo
bag.
bag.
no, I'm not, I wouldn't bring a battery down with me. I would just get one down there with you guys.
Especially Rocky Mountain.
When you store them.
Yeah, because I'm
And
coming
this
from
is-
Vancouver, right?
And then this is just the kit, the hardware, but you can get the kit with the radio. It comes with the radio too.
Yeah, that's why I've been saying to everyone, like, I really like that kit. Yeah, that's the remote, right?
Yeah, this is the remote here for it. It's the
Yeah.
Fly Sky, whatever. I actually turned it
Sky.
on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what I have for my droids.
Go
An
ahead.
interesting
Yeah,
side
that's
note
fine.
about that is that the Death Racer guys have been talking about, Antweight and
What is-
Peelweight,
Ply
they seem to
line.
like that one.
What does that stand for?
Which was my
The
finger.
lettering. What is that?
Long one. Yeah.
What's
All right.
that?
Wicked. I like that, Kenny.
Dave? What does that stand for?
The Ply Me?
Yeah.
Print like you mean it.
Ah!
I have 2 maker coins he sent me, and I just wanted to know what it stood for.
Love it.
Print like you mean it, and then it's got our logo on the other side.
Yeah, I like that.
Make me big before I lose my arms.
There it goes. There's Kenny's. Kenny's.
Yeah,
there's-
There you go.
I
Not a
love
Death
that.
Racer, but we
Love
love
it,
those.
love it.
Where's the
And
battery
then-
go?
I've seen that in person. That's pretty, let me tell you.
Kenny, total print time.
About a week.
Where's the battery, Kenny?
Straight.
In the right behind the cab.
Okay.
That's awesome.
That's wicked, man. And do you use the same remote?
Well, this is from 3D kits.
Sure.
Our 3D sets website.
Okay.
That is the Reaper.
Let's see, I'm trying to find one.
So it's
So, yeah,
basically, it's not one of these like what everybody else is showing. But since you're showing RC, I figured I'd show mine. Just one sitting right there.
Good. Party's better with everybody else, right?
Yep.
Yeah,
Now you,
and I do have the I do have the Piranha kit, but after I'm done building this Voron, if it ever get done, then remember how I used to use you, Dave? Are you done with your Voron? Well, now you can
Now
ask
you
me that.
understand, don't you, Kenny? Kenny
Yes,
knows.
because I run into this problem. I ran into that problem. What
Yep.
set me back this time is I had everything together, but I couldn't get my probe to work. So I finally, and then when I was testing stuff, I killed my Nighthawk. So I switched over from Nighthawk
To the
to
EBB.
Big Tree Tech. And now I had to replug everything, refigure all my plugs. So that set me back a little bit. Anyway, so after I get the Voron, I have a turtle to build, and after turtle, I'm gonna build my Death Racer.
Yes,
So I got
Benny. Yes, Ben. It's 3D sets model from Kenny.
yes.
So yeah, those are the insert the insert tracks.
And I finally got
the,
for people that just joined us, I just got a Centura the other day because somebody was a bad influence, Dave.
Not my fault. Not my fault, and you know you're gonna love it.
Century Carbon.
Are you doing TPU inserts on those tracks?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then ABS. This is CF ABS is what I printed the track with.
Yeah, that was what I was thinking as soon as I saw them and whatever. There's a bunch of different designs for the tracks. I'm really interested in the Omni wheels, but that I just thought that the harder you get with that material, the more it's going to slide. So I was thinking TPU inserts.
Yeah,
yeah, that's TPU. We did on the wife's, and on mine too. I did TPU tracks, and it did all right, but these don't stretch.
Right? Because that's what I figured is under load, the whole thing would start to elongate, and then you'd lose the slip of the drive wheel.
Yeah.
Matt, Kilroy, and Klondike, you guys are pretty quiet. Jump right in whenever you want.
Nope.
Yeah.
I'm just sitting here listening to all the
I'm admiring the conversation.
Klondike, give Kenny some hell about the Century Carbon. He's got one now.
Oh, he does.
How can I give him hell? I love the dang thing.
Exactly.
Yeah, but I'm having all kinds. I can't even go into the. I just noticed when Dave was trying to tell me how to get my plate configuration set up. I can't even click on Advanced in Orca. Advanced won't let me click on it.
What? Mine does.
Advanced settings. Yeah, I might have to reinstall Orca.
No.
Which version of Orca are you on? Are you on nightly builds or are you on a regular one?
Ooh, because I know that's off the
I
GitHub.
run a lot of the betas, so I think we're still in beta on 2.
Yeah, out of all the printers, I just sent a print to the Century.
Yeah, same thing. I'm building Terry's Death Racer for it. It's all going to be on the Century. This is Pet CF, all for the Century.
Is it Centauri or Century?
Centauri.
Centauri.
Space station.
Okay.
Or like the star constellation.
Same. 3.0, Dave.
At CF
3.0.
What is that one?
3.0. The version.
What filament type?
You were saying the
Orca
Pet
version.
CF17. Or sorry, Pet CF. That's what this is. I like it for the temperature resistance because again, like we're trying to only get to 110°C, right? So it's like that's why I have questions about the rigidity of your build. That's all.
Oh, that thing has a what is it? ABS glass fill frame on this one, and then hers.
Hey
is gonna
Dave,
have
you're on fire. Hurry, drink something.
Hot spicy tamales.
Do you guys, with the Death Racers, do you guys ever get motor overheat, and which causes deformation in the model?
You can get overheating, but if you print it in the right material, it shouldn't.
Right.
But wasn't the new rules that it's got to be PLA?
No. It cannot be in metal filaments.
Oh,
it has to be. Yeah, it can be.
Fiber. You just can't have it sintered.
Oh, okay,
So
okay.
no SLS product stuff like that.
Right.
Melting either, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then I got to reread the rules, but I think these are all compliant with the rules. But there were a few. There were a few there was one at Rocky Mountain I know that was a bit of a. It was a challenge to get to. The Not yours. Not yours.
We both know who it is because it took me out the third round.
Yeah. So yeah, it was. Well, it got decimated in the third round. I think at Rocky Mountain, there were bits and pieces of it all over the place. But
Yep, as it
yeah,
should.
it was. Yeah, that should have been DQ'd from the word go. But
What about West 3D's Viking ship?
That was nice.
oh, he popped my head off.
Huh?
Yeah, you got a couple of them.
He popped
His does not comply with the new rules.
Oh,
So,
doesn't it?
The West 3D does not because the arms expand out too far. Where the
Oh.
out like that, they actually have a radius now of what you can have away from the head, how far it has to be, how close.
Right.
See, you can tell when people are playing other games, but he doesn't know where we're looking at him right now.
Yeah, he's.
Oh crap!
Yeah, he.
Go ahead.
Yeah, LB popped my head off like his head. He went with those two things, and I went.
Well, because I'm one of those guys that, like, if there's rules, I got to read them and I got to understand them. And that was like one of the first. Because again, I've been avoiding doing it. Just like.
Okay. Louise had a question here. Have we noticed anything different in Matt's room? What's different? Let's see.
Not much
We're looking. What do we see different there?
Well, there's a printer not working.
It's cleaner.
Delicious something over there in the trash.
Yeah, I don't know.
No, this is just my corner to sort out.
It's Congress 500s in the corner up for sale. No one's bought it. It's got
What's in the delicious? Yeah, I see the
Did he get a haircut?
Oh.
I think he did.
His printers aren't
I think he
running.
get the haircut.
He's got his idol on the wall.
Oh, Sam?
You're back on your map.
Yeah, the thing on the side is gone. The cupboard, what I used to have there. And behind my TV here, behind the screen, there used to be a big unit like this, an IKEA unit. That's upstairs. So
before the stream, Matt's on his cell phone calling somebody, and I can think of Pink Floyd, The Wall. This is the United States calling. Are we reaching? You know that weird ring they have in the
Yeah.
That's what I heard. He didn't know what I was talking about. I said, your ringtone. Your ring on your phone is like in the Pink Floyd movie, where it's different in the U.S. So, anyway.
I like Bamboo Slicer for bamboo. I use Orca Slicer for Snapmaker. I use Cura for Marlin-based machines. It's really whatever makes you feel better.
Too.
Yeah.
But when it comes to like, unless I have problems with the slicer from the company who owns the product, I use their slicer. Like Lubin has given me a little bit of trouble, but I still use Lubin for laser and milling. Right, because you can go over to Lightburn and you can go over into a couple of different slicers for milling, right?
What do you mean milling? Milling what?
I mill like wood right now because I'm trying to get my hands on some brass and some aluminum.
Oh, on a CNC.
Yeah. On my Snapmaker.
Okay. What do you got? Snapmaker what?
Artisan. 3-in-1.
Okay. I didn't know you had a CNC. Okay.
Yeah. That's why I'm always bugging you about CNC because I really like the Sane Smart and I want to compare the Sane Smart to the Bamboo. Or not the Bamboo, sorry, the Snapmaker. But the Snapmaker's so big it can handle like 400. So you can put a big sheet on there at 400 and just cut it, right? So, and I've done like, we've cut some steel on here, no brass, no bronze, and no aluminum yet. But the Snapmaker over delivers and under promises. It's the craziest thing ever. Because like, don't cut steel on it. And I cut steel on it, no problem.
I did a video like a week ago, the first time I ever cut aluminum on the CNC. I did those 2 brackets. And I've had, what's it up, like 7,500 views or something in a week. It's like, wow.
Oh, yeah.
That's the first time I ever cut aluminum. But, you know.
I keep telling everyone, like, because like 3D printers are CNC, desktop CNC is going to blow up. And you should be looking at either 3-in-1 machines or like laser extrusion machines, like what the new Bamboo H2D is. But like the Snapmaker Artisan is just the Snapmaker 2, but bigger. That's all it is.
I was blown away with the
Oh.
when watching that aluminum being cut. I mean, I thought that was just like
Milling is awesome.
The man that I bought my files from on Etsy, his name is David Guy, I think his name is. I shared his video on my Facebook group. He showed his process when he was cutting out these plates that I have here. He was using an 1/8" bit, which is crazy small. An 1/8" bit is tiny. I'd be afraid that I would instantly snap it, so I use a 1/4" bit. But some things, when I was doing pecking on these, which I've never done, let me change cameras.
Should bill Milo.
When I was doing pecking on these holes, which I had to tap them, they've all been tapped now, but I had to peck the hole. And in the first video, when I done the plates, I didn't peck them. I printed a template at a light burn on my diode laser, the wooden template, and I taped it to it, blue tape, and then I put them on my drill press and tapped them. But on these, were all done here on the my CNC, cut out and made. And
Like,
but when David, I used WD-40 for a coolant on this, but he used alcohol. He had a big gallon jug of IPA with a hose going over to his nozzle, and he was using IPA, and I've never heard of anybody using IPA as a coolant when they're milling.
yeah, like antifreeze.
well,
IPA is like light a match, boom, you got a problem.
Yeah.
Well,
Yeah.
but
Well,
that's-
yeah,
you know, that's-
evaporates.
you just take the fun out of it if you know.
eh.
Well,
Well, because you
after-
want a good finish, right?
Yeah, if you use a coolant, you'll have a better finish too. So I went and I bought another can of WD-40. So when I peck drilled all this, I sprayed with WD-40, and I tapped everything with WD-40.
Also.
I made quite a bit of mess, and my spoil board, it has a lot of stains on it now. So now I realize when I had my 3018 saying Smart had a metal bed. Now I know why it had a metal bed for milling metal. That way you don't have to deal with wood and be up absorbing liquid and swelling up on you, etc., etc. But yeah, I'm having a lot of fun with it. So it's just that when you buy a set of bits, or you buy a bit for $20, which is pretty cheap actually, and it comes down for the first time, you're sitting there thinking, please don't break.
Right.
You know,
Is that an ER20 call it or an ER11?
1/4 inch is for quarter. I use
Yeah,
quarter
so
inch
it's
shank.
ER11.
Call it, I'm not sure.
Yeah.
ER11.
Yeah, it should be.
Yeah,
I'm not sure. Like, let me know, but that would be my guess. That's the same on the snap.
Yeah, I bought a couple different collets for my machine, so I can put anything in it. And right now it has a spindle, and it's a Jamitsu spindle, which is like a Makita, but the Makita is better, but it's similar. And one of my projects the other day, my switch started, for the first time ever, it started rotating itself, cranking itself all the way up, so I had to put a piece of duct tape on it to keep it from moving. But
Did you upgrade the spindle? Or is that the stock spindle?
It came with it. Two of my machines came with Jamitsu spindles.
Yeah.
And another one that came with those little cheap ones they have, and then I take those off and I put a Makita on them. But
Yeah.
I
So in other words, you
Makita.
put a router on it, not a spindle.
Well, yeah,
Well,
router.
there's no spindle heads, though.
Yeah, I meant to say router, a Makita router. Now the big one that I have, it's 1300 by 1300, which will do a sheet of plywood 4 foot by 4 foot easily. That's what I'm upgrading now. I'm going to put a spindle on it. Air cooled. I don't want to deal with liquid. And besides air cooling, it'll blow everything up. Got the air flowing through it. It'll be probably 220. 2.2 volts, kilowatt, or whatever it is, 2.7. I'm not quite sure on that, but it'll be air cooled. I don't want to mess with water or chemicals or antifreeze. I don't want hoses.
Water's not too bad. All my stuff is water cooled, my spindles. And what I use one of those CW3000s to keep the water cool. It's just ambient. It's blowing. Now on my lasers, I'm using the 5202s.
Oh, really?
Yeah, this way I can. It's got a refrigerator unit in it, and it keeps the temperature way down. And I can use one unit to cool both my lasers.
Well, like the one thing I gotta do is like I gotta design an air jet to go on the spindle for this, because it's like, it's nice, but it's like Jerry's, right, where it's got a wood waste plate, and it's designed for that. But chat's actually getting you crazy here, Jerry. They're recommending you do a Milo. I was also going to say you could do a Milo or you could do a rat rig build.
Yeah, they're too much money. Way too expensive.
Yeah.
They're about this big and they're really expensive. Yeah.
But yeah, like I want to put an air jet cooler on for my mill head.
Put a Mr. one.
Well, no, I just want straight air because you can get an air pump to go with the laser. So that's what I have. So I was thinking use an air pump for tool cooling
Mhm.
because it does work. Because my waste plate again is MDF like Jerry's, but I was gonna say to Jerry he should be trying to use rapid tap for milling because it sticks. So it's like when you pass through it, the mill head will pick it up and then use that to keep milling. And then every time you go past that, you add a little bit. It's really good stuff.
See, the cool part with air works great alone, but you can inject just a little bit of moisture to it without blasting your whole table.
Yeah, make a fogger for sure. I just don't know how that would treat the MDF because MDF swells like crazy.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, it absorbs moisture like anything.
Right?
You can still put a plate down.
Yeah.
Mill yourself a nice plate, and then whenever you're going to do any metal work or something, use that.
I don't have a major issue with like I want to do some brass coins because like yeah, right. You can get a bunch of tool sets from them, so you get like V bits and you can get like 3 flute, 2 flute. You can get a ball mill, and I wanted to try that. I just gotta get myself on.
Well, I got a hold of Dave Gatton, which is a pro on CNC. He's done it his whole life. Dave Gatton, CNC, he may be listening. And I messaged him on Facebook. He said use an O-flute bit because I didn't know what type of bit to use on aluminum. I got a lot of wood cutting bits.
Yeah.
I didn't know. He said no, use an O-flute bit. So I got a 1/4 inch O-flute, and matter of fact, I gummed it up on some metal last week, and I had a big knot in it. And then my job went to complete garbage. So I soaked it in some stuff like Drano all night. So I read about that online, and then I took a hook pick with that real tight hook. The next morning I snagged on it and I ripped it out, and then I felt the one blade all the way around. It felt razor sharp still. I'm like, I didn't ruin the bit. I had another one coming from Amazon. I went ahead and reused that bit and it's working fine. So then when the one came from Amazon, that's an extra. So
can you set your machine to downhill mill only?
I zigzag when I go down in it, but on each pass on aluminum, I'm dropping 1/2 millimeter.
No. Downhill milling is where you're going with the flow of the cutter head, not against it. Uphill milling is when you're going against the head. So with aluminum, you always want to be downhill milling because it's so soft, and what happens is it'll bite in, like you said. So it's like one of the problems that I'm having with the Lubin milling is that I don't know how to set it to downhill mill only because I want to cut aluminum because I want to do a frame for an RC.
The Carpco Maker is the software that I'm designing everything in.
Right. Okay, can you DM that to me? I will. I'll look at it. Okay.
Carpco Maker, yeah. And then when I was using WD-40, the whole channel path was getting clogged up with debris. So every time it goes around, I'm standing there at the shop vac, and I'm backing it out real quick. I'm putting a little more WD-40 on it, and each one of these plates took a 1/2 hour to mill the outside all the way around, a 1/2 hour each. Wow. So I didn't want to push it. I didn't want to clog up that bit again. So it worked out real well. Here's a video clip I can show you.
Because it won't clog if you're downhill milling. It's the uphill milling. It's biting in too much. But if you use a fogger system like was suggested, or you use some milling oil, it'll be less of a problem. As well as kerosene, because I'm pretty sure you cut aluminum with kerosene. Pretty sure.
Well, WD-40 has kerosene in it.
But it's not pure, right?
No. What is WD-40? What is it? If I remember correctly, kerosene and Vaseline. It basically is something like that.
It's got silicone oil in it for sure. Look at that pretty picture. I like them clamps.
Where's my play button? Is it underneath where I can't see it?
I think you can grab the stop sharing. And, yeah, there. Okay.
I'll give you a little hint on the clamps. I love wood and plastic clamps versus the metal. Because if you accidentally hit one of those clamps with your bit.
Oh, yeah.
I've done that.
Okay, here's the plates I did last week when I cut them dry, and it worked out fine. I cut out the 2 circles for 2 plates, then I cut out the outline of both of them, and this worked out fine. The first time I did it, I took a JPEG, and was it JPEG? I think it was a JPEG file, and it was too large. It was sized wrong. I wasted a good piece of 300 by 300 aluminum. It'll go around and around. It'll drop a 1/4 millimeter each time and cut those out. It worked fine. And then of course, I've got a huge mess everywhere after this, on the floor and on my shoes and everywhere. So I had to vacuum everything up. But
can you put a brush cup with a vacuum on it, or?
I could, but I didn't. I just wanted to film it for the video, so I let it make a mess.
Oh.
All right.
So,
Yeah, because if you put an air jet on that, it's going to make just as much of a mess. So, but what? Okay, what is your maximum depth cut?
0.5 millimeter.
Is that what it's like? Is because like aluminum is soft, so it's like
Well, it was Rick Dave Gatton said it would probably go down a millimeter. I was afraid to go down a millimeter. So I want to go down as slow as possible because if I break it, I'm the one that has to pay for it. So,
which is fair.
yeah.
It's just like because a deeper cut will actually like produce larger chips, which then allow it to blow off temperature faster. So it's like it's up to you and do your research. Like don't whatever, right? But and then cutting oil, like
Hey,
really
Dominic.
cutting oil. Hello, Dominic. So it's like just from my experience in the machine shop, right? Is like cutting oil is your friend.
Yeah, people keep bringing up IPA. The only thing is IPA and using a router. All you need is that little spark.
Oh, exactly.
Well, that's what I was thinking.
Right?
Versus a spindle. I mean, if you're using a spindle, yeah, it's all sealed. It's all closed up.
The guy's video had a
Right.
vacuum hooked up to it, I guess, to help get rid of the fumes. But I wouldn't want to have. I wouldn't want to be spraying IPA. WD-40.
Water
I'm sure how much you get.
WD-40. Yeah, Jared.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's got because
There's a little
it evaporates so fast.
Yeah. And then I don't know how much of a spray head you're actually spraying. I haven't seen it close up, so I'll have to watch more videos on it.
It's flammable also. If you're spraying it,
Yeah, it's kerosene, yeah.
All vapor. All vapor.
You
is flammable.
can start a diesel engine with WD-40. You can spray it in the air cleaner and start it, so it's
that's
kerosene.
what happened to
Use
my
ethanol?
kid.
Yeah.
What? Don't judge me. Don't judge me. I'm a millwright. Don't judge me. Fire is my friend. But Jerry, like, just so you know, like, I am super, like, everything you're working on is super great, and I'm super excited in all your milling stuff. Because, like, remember, I look to you for some of the stuff I'm doing. So,
I'm a guy that has too many hobbies, and at one time I thought about getting into shirts and doing some other stuff, but I got too many hobbies. So
Welcome to my world.
yeah, and that's why I'm contacting companies left and right to review this and review that, whether I want it or not. It's because I don't have time. I'm trying to enjoy what hobbies I have, and now I'm into in-scale trains thanks to Klondike down here. I already had some trains, but I met him, and he had these really cool modules, and we started talking. And speaking of Klondike, let's talk to him. We haven't talked to him today.
Oh, you put me on the spot.
Uh-oh.
I'll be right on him.
Klondike.com. You see that name? Put a .com after it.
Yep.
Go check out his site. He makes really cool modules. And my son and grandson came over the other day, and then I was trying to figure out, Brandon, where can I move that table? I want to set the train up in the middle of the room so I can walk all the way around it. He said, well, you said it's mobile and it's modules. Why don't you clear off this table and put it on here? And he's absolutely right. Instead of trying to move the table and switch them around, I can take everything off here, move all that over here, move all this over there.
So what I love to do is I love trains. Okay, and then along with all the hobbies, as you can see, 3D printing is right up my alley. I have a couple resin printers. I have 200 watt lasers out in my shop, and then a Laguna CNC router. I love building stuff. And when I was able to turn around and take one of my hobbies, and it's also part of my business, it's fun. It's kicking the pants.
Yeah.
So we all have tinkeritis, is what you're saying.
Yeah. That's a good way of putting it, yes.
And I live in Las Vegas, and that's one thing my wife's always said. You know, you have too many hobbies. I don't want to hear about 3D printing. I want to hear about that. Well, guess what? Before I had any of these hobbies, I live in Vegas. There's bars down the street. I could be at the bar drinking and gambling. I don't have to do any of this at home. I could be wasting all the money doing other stupid things. So, anyway.
I wouldn't say what you're doing is wasting. You're teaching a lot of people, man, and it does make a difference whether you believe it or not.
If I live to be 100, you'll know I kept my brain working no matter what I look like, and I was happy and I did stuff.
Right. Right.
It's like milling aluminum. I've never in my life, I've done a million things in construction, but I've never tried to read blueprints and figure out how to set all this up and to mill it and make it work. And I'll show you something. Let's see. Let's go to this camera.
So, you know, when I was a kid, one of the things that that looks good.
I got to show you what it goes with. I'll have to come back to this in a minute.
Sorry.
Go ahead.
Oh, the reason why I stepped away is, we were talking about inspiration and helping other people. When I was a kid, we had those things where you'd heat up this plate and you'd squeeze this liquid in, then it'd gel it, to you could have this little creature, right?
Shrinky dinks.
Well, that's another one. But yeah, the point being is that's what we
Creepy
had when we were
crawlers.
Creepy crawlers, yeah.
Creepy crawlers. There we go.
Yeah.
And then you get the little vacuum mold and make the little bodies for the cars and stuff.
And you got a plate that's what, 350, 400 degrees. That's all.
Yeah, exactly. You learn that shit's hot. But now my son, he's 11 years old. Got him into printing. He's been playing with Tinkercad. So he'll grab models and he bashes them together. So like this little, I love this dude. So these are originally Dummy 13 guys, and I'm pretty sure everybody knows about these.
Wish that was solos, but
I can't see.
Cool from here.
Blow them up.
Oh, Jerry stepped away from the control.
Oh,
oh, Jerry!
Oh, that's all good. The point being is, I love it because now they can use their imagination. They can work with software and programs.
Tinkercad is super important.
What am I looking at?
It's a great start for anybody.
There we go.
Yeah.
So here's your original, and of course you're doing the stop animation on top of all this.
Oh wow.
And then like this guy, he added. It's kind of hard to see these little flip-up goggles. Can I flip them up? Yeah.
Huh.
Nods. Got nods.
That's pretty cool.
I was blown away.
Version.
Does he
But,
like Fortnite?
Yeah, I like the night vision, I guess.
Yeah, it's night vision.
But what he did is, for this joint up here, it's actually his foot.
Hey.
Oh.
Yes.
So, yeah, he took that joint and then modified it and then put the lenses on it and then stuck it into the helmet head and stuff. And that's what he came up with.
Hey, that's pretty smart.
A helmet.
Reinvent the wheel if you don't have to.
Yeah, exactly.
That's what we need for our W13.
So, yeah. I'm loving it. I can't wait to see printers in classes and, all this equipment. I think it's kind of the future when you look at it. We've gone a long way.
Yes.
Okay, right here, these are 3D printed. On that linear rail that I showed you, 6 foot long, the bearing blocks go inside here, and then they screw down, right? And then this will basically mount like this on the Y or the Z, or the X, whichever, and then your plate on your CNC mounts to this. Now, I have to make 2 of these out of this stock. On my plans, when I ordered this off Amazon, I only thought I needed 1, but obviously I need 2. If you look at this, it's obvious that 1's not going to be enough. It's not going to be tall enough, but I have the blueprint. I just have to figure out in the slicer how to lay everything out so I can come in and I can drill that. Then I got to cut it off, and anyway, and then I'll have to mill off the inside like this. The square, and exactly like that, the way the bearing blocks fit down in there. So I'll be making this out of aluminum. But for the time being, I can finish the machine and build it like this. And in my spare time, I can try to figure out how to do this. Then I can always take it back apart and put these on it. And then here's the one that you seen in the video earlier. Here's that plate. First time I ever cut aluminum. So
looks good.
Looks good, yeah.
And I didn't know how to peck drill these, so I went to my laser, got some 3mm Baltic birch or basswood, whatever, on my diode laser, and I cut out this template exactly. I blue taped it, put it on my drill press, and I just drilled them all out, and then I tapped them by hand. So, and then I didn't have a countersink bit for metal, so I used a drill bit. I took one of the screws out of the machine, I drilled it, checked it, drilled it, checked it, then when I had about the right depth, then I just drilled them all out. So it came out real good.
That works.
You made sure to deburr that, right, Jerry?
Yeah, it was fine. And then I went over with sandpaper. Orbital sander, I went over with everything and cleaned everything up, blew it off, wiped it down real good. So yeah, I'm real happy with it.
I think that's amazing. You showed me the template last time I was here.
First time I've ever worked with aluminum.
That's awesome, dude. Like really, that's really cool. If you don't know, it's cool.
Yeah.
Now, Jerry, if you want to know my honest opinion, since you're going this far with it, I honestly think you should get yourself V-carve.
Yeah.
VCarve Pro. It's
Jerry
awesome
can't afford
program.
it. Jerry
know.
can't afford it. So
You find a
I
way.
get Social Security next June. I get Social Security. So we'll see.
Yeah, it's only $800.
No, it's
What you're saying, Jerry, is
340.
Regular V card. Yeah, regular.
VCarve Pro. You don't
Okay,
get Aspire.
Millmage, they're coming out with the Lightburn's come out with Millmage, or they're working on it. At some point, it might be as good as everybody else, and that's going to be a flat fee of like $199, a one-time fee. But then you'll have to pay for upgrades like you do with Lightburn now. So we'll have to see where that goes. Maybe one of these, And then of course there's what do you call it? The free one, the design software.
Candle. Is it Candle? There's another one.
No, Candle.
Line Inkscape does it too.
Yeah, Candle controls your CNC. I run that on my
Carbide
computer.
something? Carbide? No?
No, I'm thinking of what's the program everybody uses around the world that designs stuff with? It also does
Fusion.
CNC. Fusion.
Oh.
Fusion 360. Yeah.
Or Tinkercad. Tinkercad works.
Yeah. So
The downside to Tinkercad is it doesn't transfer over to Fusion.
Sort of does. But it doesn't
Yeah, I mean,
back. Yeah.
I mean the theory is there, but yeah.
And you
You're
would
right.
think it would because it's the same same company.
Well, they even advertise it too. They literally advertise. You make something in Tinkercad, and you bring it into Fusion. But everybody I talk to in Fusion who does Fusion stuff, they're all like, nah, bro, it doesn't work like that. So.
Well, I mean, like the skill, like okay, you make a square. I mean, all that stuff, but like to do some of the stuff you do, the functionality doesn't always transfer over. So, because I've been struggling bad with Fusion, but I can go into Tinkercad and just fiddle-diddle around and do what I need to do. But
we're gonna give away a roll of Ziltech filament here in a minute. Let me get it ready, and then we'll do that here shortly.
Jerry, I'm overtime with you today. I just want to say I love you, dude. Thank you for having me. That CNC work you're doing and the milled aluminum, fantastic.
Appreciate it. I'm learning.
Keep it up. And
Yeah, a lot of people say, well, why didn't you do this? And why didn't you do that? Well, I didn't know. Now I know, and I'm learning. So,
It's all a learning process.
Just try to put out a good video. A lot of people liked it. It got a lot of views, so I'm real happy about that.
Just know we love you to death, man, and we wish, you're doing so good, man. And then to everybody else, thank you for having me, thank you for putting up with me, and thank you for showing me all your cool stuff. It's always a pleasure to hang out with you weirdos.
You're always welcome.
Likewise.
Speak for yourself.
Not sure if that's a compliment or an insult, however.
Watch out, Phil. He glues his fingers together a lot, so.
Love you all very much. Thank you again, Jerry, for having me.
Take care, sir. You take them on?
Yeah, I have to go do my thing.
All right, well, have a great day. Maybe I'll raid into you later if I remember.
Okay, I love you, dude. Thank you for everything.
Okay, later now.
All right, bye.
I'm adding everybody to this other scene, so when I do the giveaway, we can all keep talking. I got a second. EV Mux, I got a second. I'm in studio mode right now. So
That reminds me, Dave.
Dave who?
Dave.
What did I do?
Is that better?
Oh, you know what?
I thought Dave went to sleep, man.
Because you know what? I've lost one of mine. One of mine is missing. Somewhere in this shop, there's another microphone. So right now, I'm running off of a studio mic that has no noise reduction.
Is that better?
I was admiring the sound from your mic, so what did I do? I went ahead and got one. And then the moment I get it, you don't use it.
He lost it.
I wish I got to find the other one, and they don't just sell. It's funny, they'll sell another receiver, but they won't sell another microphone, which ticks me off.
I found it.
Grab another one.
And we have another one.
Don't feel bad. My camera up on the ceiling here don't work. I finally moved it to a nice place, and I'm talking about my expensive one. My what is that thing? The 360. What do you call it?
Insta 360.
Yeah.
What? It didn't work. What happened?
Yeah, I moved it to a better location so I could get more of the shed, and I upgraded that. Using the one, upgrade the firmware, the software.
This should have worked. Everybody's still talking. Chat. Can you still hear us?
Yes. Oh.
Can you hear us talking?
Not in here, yeah.
Okay, let me see here. Okay, it's reset. Chat, tell me. Let's see. Yeah, everybody can hear us. Okay. There you go. Hashtag Ziltech in chat for a chance to win one roll of Ziltech. USA only, lower 48 states, not Alaska, not Hawaii. Sorry about that. That's not my rules. That's Zildek's rules. We're going to draw here in a minute. I will have you go to ziltech.com. You have to say, hey, I won in chat. Even if you're on the screen, the people on the screen, also my guests, are welcome to enter if they're in the U.S.
Even if they won last time?
And you know, anyway, if you win and you're not in the U.S., it has to go to a USA address. Like always. Must go to a USA address.
Must be U.S. citizen.
Oh, that was a bummer. I didn't win that. I didn't win that. What? Anyway, from Matt German won that printer, and he said, "Hey, give it to Jerry." That was a bummer. Jerry couldn't get it.
Oh.
Yeah, I know. I didn't make the rules. Positron make the rules. So
I understand it. And the
And I
design
missed-
was right there.
And I missed it by a hair.
And of course, Petty won. Petty wins in every doggone stream.
I told him I wanted a lock of his hair. I said, I need a lock of your hair. You're the luckiest guy I know.
The minute I see him in person, I'm kidnapping him and taking him to the casino. And he will
There you go. At first, I wanted to just rub his head to get some luck, but now
I need the whole thing. I'm taking him everywhere we go. Like, enter this one for me. Enter this one.
Put a keychain on him. This is my keychain. My lucky Petty's foot.
Matt and Louise won a big bottle of nanopolymer adhesive from Joe Telling's Christmas stream 2 years ago, but it wouldn't ship to the UK, so they had it sent to me. You know, the $50 bottles.
Oh yeah.
And then last year on Joe's stream, I actually won something. You know how big a ketchup packet is? Nanopolymer adhesive ketchup packets. I won 20 of them. The size of a ketchup packet. It's like, what's this?
Yeah.
It's like each packet is good to cover the bed one time. Why aren't you guys giving away bottles? I mean, really, it's like, wow.
Because they're expensive and they are amazing. And they know what they've got. So they give you the sample. So once you've used
But
it.
prior years, they gave away bottles. People were giving away printers and film, and all of a sudden they cheat.
Yeah.
And they're instead of giving you a bottle, they're giving away packets.
They gave away.
Beggars can't be choosers, but come on.
We'll give some away at 3D Printopia at our booth.
Yeah.
We got a couple different giveaways this year for our booth.
Now, if you have them in a booth where people are walking by grabbing stuff like people do, then you would want to have the ketchup packets. That way you're not really out that much money. You can't have bottles saying they're saying help yourself, because somebody's going to open up their shirt and take the whole counter.
So at Rocky Mountain in 24, they did have 1 ounce bottles that they were giving out before they came out with the ketchup packets. So I keep refilling the bottle. I take the ketchup packet and put it into the bottle because it's you know, that way you don't have to worry about spilling it. But
I wonder
it
who won
lasts
the
forever.
big bottle. Who won the big bottle last year for Rocky Mountain? Don't know. Whoever posted their picture on Vision Miner first. Whoever's face is there, whether it be glory or not.
One more minute to get in the drawing for one roll of Ziltech, USA only. Lower 48 states must be present to win. Once we have a winner, you'll say something in chat. I'll put my email in chat. You'll email me. You'll say, "Hey Jerry, you know, here's where I live at in the U.S. Your name, mailing address, and what type of filament you like from Ziltech." I'll contact my rep tomorrow. I email her. She'll get it sent out Monday. Probably Tuesday, she'll send me back a tracking number, which I send out to the person that won it. Because who wants to get something in the mail if they don't know when it's coming? So I always send people a tracking number so you can watch and see where it's at. 27 people currently entered. USA only. And if you win this one, you can't win the Polymaker also. I changed the rule on that.
That's fair.
That's fair.
About a month ago, one person won both, and I felt really bad. We had all these people in chat, and one person won both. I was like, no, that ain't cool.
I won the Polymaker last week, right?
I don't remember. You already got it, right?
Yes, certainly. But
Okay.
can I get the
Yeah,
Ziltech?
you can re-enter. You can re-enter every week. Ziltech wants like a 3-month gap. So if you just won Ziltech and you win again within a month or two, wait a little bit, because Ziltech don't like repeat winners. They're a small company. They don't want to keep giving out the same filament to the same person over and over and over. The whole point in giving out filament, obviously, is so you might buy more. You're like, wow, this is cool. I really like it. Let me go make another order. Oh, wow, Jerry has 5% off with his affiliate code. Let me use that too. That way Jerry gets something to help him out, and I save 5%. Polymaker, he's got an affiliate for Polymaker.
Plug.
I don't get a discount, but it'll help his channel out, so let me use that one too.
Yeah, Polymakers, who I've given a little money to. Not a lot. I'm really happy. I ended up with 4 rolls.
Awesome.
But, anyway.
Yeah.
All right, guys, here we go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good luck to whoever wins. Good luck to everybody.
Indeed.
Yeah, this is the Polymaker I won last
Yeah,
time.
watch it come up to that German.
Is that just a refill?
No, I got this a couple of weeks ago from Jerry.
Okay.
I love that teal.
Yeah, I was sitting here
Reprinted,
Reprinted.
congratulations, you won the Zill tank. Say something in chat, my friend.
I think he will be reprinting something with that.
I'm sure he's here because he just entered.
Yeah.
Well, Dave and Terry sent me some. I can't wait to try it. It's PET GCF.
And you can print it in your Century Carbon.
Yeah,
It'll work just fine in it.
That's what it's going to go with.
I'll accept some too.
You got to win. Got to be on
Win.
stream.
Okay. All right.
Dude, that was a wild week because I went on Jerry's show, and then when I went on Dave's, I won one on his. And usually I don't win squat.
That's
What was it, beer?
Like, win nothing for a long time, and then like us, we won nothing for about 3 months, and then we won like
Reprinted 3D, say something in chat. We must have a commercial.
Yeah, maybe.
What was a bearded printer hit on 3 streams in the same day?
Oh, shit.
Yeah, and he missed on the 4th one, like 2. He was 2 on the wheel away from winning the 4th one in that day. I was like, holy crap.
Yeah.
I'll reshare it, but it shows up in chat. I've got Stream Elements sharing all my links in chat.
I got the first print in Print G going down on the Ender 5 Max. Very close to the bed. Way too close, but that's okay.
Reprinted 3D, say something in chat.
Is that 400 by 400 bed?
That's a 400 by, it's 400 cubed.
I don't know if you saw the one, Ryan from Arbeller Designs. He got the what is it? The Solval SV08 Max.
Yeah.
500 by 500.
Yeah. He
That
can
thing is
crawl in
nuts.
pretty much, can he?
It's insane. Once you get past like 350, it's like these beds are massive.
Yeah.
And then it takes
Reprinted 3D. Hurry up, flush, wash your hands, get back and answer.
whenever you try to take a plate off, or when you have a full build plate of prints and it's a big one, trying to take it off, you got to lean the model and lift the plate at the same time, or else you can't just lift the plate up to bring it off. You got to push it over, and then it still doesn't want to come out of the magnet. It is just stuff. But this thing, I don't want to call it taco bed. It's reverse taco bed on this one, and I got to somehow tweak it. So when I look at it, it's like a hill. Yeah, it's like a hill on there, but it prints fine. The compensation, but the deviation is 0.8 millimeters on this massive bed.
Wow.
So all the other my printers are like about a 0.1 or less.
We only ran this for a couple minutes, so he had to have entered, so he has to be here. Unless he got a commercial, I don't understand. Reprinted 3D, say something in chat.
Reprinted 3D.
There's no reason to redraw because you just entered it and then I drew a couple minutes later.
But the Ender 5 Max and that the Solval both are rated for 700 millimeters per second square. But I don't like pushing this thing because it shakes to high hell. Like the whole frame will shake, all the shelving will shake. So I keep her right around 300. I'm good at 300 millimeters on top speed. So you know where I got it from, Scott. It's oh no, the PET CF I got from Soraya Tech. The PET G that I sent Sean is from Timmery. I believe it's Timmery. Timmery does some really good PET G, CF, GF.
It's reprinted 3D taggable on YouTube.
I can't tag him.
And since Scott's watching, I love this. I blame him for this. I now have some PGA CF in my hands. Why? I'm not going to use this, but I have it.
Why did you use it?
I'm going to use it for something extreme. That's what I need it for, because that stuff is ridiculously
Hey,
strong.
3D, say something in chat.
I still want to get a roll of that soap.
You're only going to get 500 kilograms, too. So it's the $20. I think it's $24 now. It went up because it
Well, I
got
cleared the drawing. That's weird. I don't know how the hell the name came up. I cleared the drawing before I started.
it
Yeah,
works
he's
like
not taggable.
so.
We just go out for dinner or no?
And I scroll back in YouTube and I don't see him in there like entering.
All right, let me go back to my scene here.
Well, I hate to say this, but that sounds like a reroll to me. If you can't see them entering,
Are you running this on Twitch or anything, or just you?
I reset it. Let me try again. I'll try again there. If I have to, should I delete everybody and start over, or should I just redraw? Because I had to delete.
Is he over on Twitch like Sean says?
Oh, he's on YouTube.
He's on YouTube.
Well, sorry, I thought it was.
Well, that's where it came from, is YouTube.
No, you can go into your
I'm redrawn. If it happens again, then I'll have to reset it to 0, because I did that before the stream. I reset it to 0 from last week.
Drum roll, please.
And
Garuk.
Garuk, are you in chat, Garuk?
on Twitch.
Yeah. Eric!
Sounds Klingon.
It does, doesn't it? See, I was thinking more Kardashian.
Garuk.
Kardashian.
Yeah.
Garuk, congrats. Are you in chat?
He's back on Kardashian.
He's here.
Oh, he is. Yeah. Woohoo. It's Garrick, right?
I'm looking.
From
There he is.
Space 9?
Yay! Congratulations.
Yeah.
Here's my email in chat. Please write this down. Go to ziltech.com. Check out their filament. Email me what type of filament you would like. PLA, PETG, whatever, and what color and all that. And email me. Let me know. With the USA mailing address. Congratulations, my friend.
All right, I got a question about filament. Has anybody ever tried, and this is back when I was in the early bamboo days, and I was an ambassador. Ooh. Has anybody ever tried free mover filament? Free mover.
I think I have a
No, I haven't.
sample of it, but I don't think I've ever printed it.
Hey, we got somebody in the back room. Can I announce him?
Yeah.
Where is he? Wait till I see him in the back room. Oh, come on.
He's not there. He's
Because
no,
see,
I see what he's doing. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, the one and only DeWitt 3D Tim.
Hey,
There he is.
welcome, Tim.
Hey,
What's going
Tim.
on, buddy?
How are you?
We missed you. We missed you last Sunday, my friend.
Yeah, I had this big screen that I do with my stream went kaput for some reason. It wouldn't work, and then about 7 o'clock last Sunday night, it worked. So I have no idea what went on, but it was like almost like I wasn't meant to stream for some reason. So I just said, okay, oh well. Yeah, needed the day off, I guess. So
I had the same similar last night with cameras.
Ah, yes, yeah. It just happens, and there's no reason. Then all of a sudden starts working again.
Okay, now we got reprinted 3D that showed up. Will do, Jerry. Thanks. I redrew. I didn't see you in chat. I waited and I waited and I waited and I waited, and you weren't there. I redrew for Ziltech. Sorry.
Oh my goodness.
Well, that's a bummer.
Yeah,
Hey, Tim.
Hey, Kenny.
I just relocated my 360s that the same camera you got. What, like, it was almost like 2 years ago, wasn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Well, anyways, I fired it. I moved in. I fired it back up, and it keeps going out of preview mode. Have you ever had a problem with yours?
Out of what mode?
Preview.
No.
I can't move it around. I updated the firmware today. I did everything. I re-updated the app, and it keeps going out of preview.
I've never had that issue. That's weird. It's very weird.
McDonald's, I can do that instead of going.
All right. I'm gonna try later. I'll just try uninstalling, reinstalling the app. Again, I haven't used it in a while.
Nope, I'll be back in a minute.
You still use yours? Tim, do you still use yours?
Yes, I still use one, and then I had the other one for the overhead, which I took down for now. But there's still one that I use every now and again. Yes.
Okay.
Yep. So I had this interesting project. I'll share something finally for once to do with 3D printing, not laser. So I had a customer come to me. He wanted this piece made. Now, this I have no idea what this is made out of. I don't even think it's injection molded. I think it starts as a solid core and then it's milled out. And it's used to go over a shaft, and there's a little ledge inside here, and it pushes on. It's either an O-ring of some sort or a bearing, and they hammer it down to push it onto the rod that it's on. Now this is a railway repair company. So they told me in Canada they pay over $2,000 for this piece.
Wow.
Which to me seems unbelievable, but hey, what the heck. So he said, "Can you 3D print this?" I said, "Yeah, let me see." Of course, the first issue is when this goes down onto the axle or whatever it is, these things here, these actually spread out about a good 10 millimeters, 5-10 millimeters, he said. So, of course, the issue with this is layer lines and the orientation you're going to print it in, right? Now, because of the way this is pretty much designed, you want to print it straight up this way. But when you get the design of it was easy. It was just a quick fusion design thing. Now, of course, this was the prototype. And of course, the prototype out of the material, which I knew was going to break, as soon as you put any pressure on these things like this, you get the snappage, okay, for sure.
Yeah.
So I got on a call with Nick from Polymaker, and we chatted about this and chatted about what would be the best material for this. Now, the material that was recommended is some. I'm glad I talked to him because it's somewhere I never would have gone in my mind, and it was TPU, and it was the Polymaker TPU 95HF. Polymaker. This is the final product that I ended up printing from it. This is 100% TPU. It's a half a kilogram of filament. Okay.
Wow.
And these things will open without breaking. I can't pull that hard enough to break it. So that's going to work. And for hammering this in, I've done this before. I can hammer this as hard as I want and not even a dent in the bottom of this. The bottom about 3/4 of an inch is solid TPU, like it's solid. This is heavy. So I'm going to be showing this on my stream tomorrow, and I'm going to be taking clips of it for B-roll. But then I'm going to give it to my customer next week to try and see if it'll do what this does. Right?
You said they were charging how much for the other one?
Over $2,000.
Wow, charge 500 for yours.
Now this
Even 200.
I forget what the material is. It's a very dense white material. It's not nylon, but somebody told me the name of the material and I forget what they said.
Okay,
But it's
I got
actually milled out.
I got another burning question.
Yes.
You said railroad. So is it infrastructure or is it
repair
for the cars?
It's for repair somehow. They do railway repair, whether it's the cars, whether it's the axles, I don't know. All I know is this tool is used to push a bearing of some sort on, so they have to hammer it on. They hammer the bearing until it clicks into place, then they pull this off. So this thing is the TPU one, which I never would have thought of TPU, but the layer strength, like the layer strength in between lines, this is not going to break at all. Now these are 12 millimeter thick walls too, right? So you got to think of it that way. You can put it down on the bench and hammer it till the dogs come home, and it doesn't, not a mark, nothing on it, nothing.
Hey, what happened if you break that? You got to reprint it?
If I break this,
yeah,
right now, doing this, I'd have to reprint it. But
Okay,
I'm going to
then
give
chill
a
on
couple.
telling us that the hammer won't break it because things happen, dude.
Oh yeah, well this hammer won't break. This is a heavy hammer, and
Okay.
I mean I'm making a lot of noise. But my point is that the hammer's not even leaving a dent in this end, not
Okay.
even a mark.
Is
And
that the
that's
one you're going to be
CPU.
mailing to them?
This is the one I'm going to be. My customer will come and pick this up.
Okay, okay.
So,
Nice.
Wow.
and I won't be charging him $2,000, right? So
I'd say $500. No.
There you go.
yeah,
Hey, they're still saving.
it
Oh,
won't be,
no.
it won't be any less than $300 for this piece. So it was
Hey.
a 17
I agree.
hour
500 sounds right.
17-hour print. So
I mean, to go
yeah.
Oh,
from
wow.
that's
Yeah.
75% savings, man.
Yeah.
500.
We'll see. I told him, and I was upfront with my customer. I said, "Hey, listen, I'm going to make one for you. I got to go through a couple prototypes." I said, "If it
Right. Your
doesn't
your
work,
time, material.
yeah." I said, "If it doesn't work, I'm only going to charge you for the prototypes. I'm not going to, So, the design was 10 minutes, real quick
Yeah.
design infusion. So, but would you got? Who would have ever thought of TPU for a piece
I
like
wouldn't
this? I wouldn't have. No. So that's where.
You mean like a death racer made out of TPU that somebody's doing? Never heard.
Oh,
Tim's got a sign business up in Canada,
there you
so
go.
everything is running through his company, so it costs more anyway.
Yeah,
Right.
exactly. So yeah. Anyways, I just wanted
No,
to share
that's
that.
for the railroad. Do you,
Awesome.
do you realize how many of those they'll need?
Oh, yeah.
probably,
They go
probably
that
a lot.
route?
Yeah, absolutely.
Tim will be starting a print farm, maybe. That'd be cool.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
just with those alone.
And then he can give them a discount if they buy more than a certain amount.
Yeah, exactly. But I mean, there's good
Oh,
money
yes.
to be made in that. So
He would be given a discount of 500 apiece.
Do they give,
absolutely. Yeah.
do they make 3-kilogram rolls at TPU?
Yeah, no shit.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah, those Texas
would get-
rolls.
I'd get two out
They
of a
call
roll.
them Texas rolls, don't they?
Texas roll.
Yeah, Viltec.
Yeah. Ziltec, yeah.
Yeah. They have another.
You said
piece
it's
that
a half a kilogram.
They have another piece that I'm working on that's threaded, but I can't talk about that one at this point in time. So because there's I'm on an NDA for one of the pieces. So
Nice.
yeah, it's good. So, but it's just my point here was not that, hey, I got this job, I can make a crap load of money at if it works. My point is that you wouldn't think of TPU for a piece like
No,
this.
I think
So,
that's
Yeah.
awesome.
Yeah.
TPU is pretty versatile.
Oh, is it ever?
And all these companies that trust us with NDAs,
Your Rook, I have your email. Thank you. When I looked at the name of your town for a brief second, I thought, oh no. But anyway, I'm not going to repeat it. But yeah, okay. Thank you, guys.
I actually had to sign one with Bamboo when I was an ambassador, but that's expired.
Yeah. Yeah, I do a ton of NDAs in the business I'm in, and you have to honor them because they're legal.
Yeah.
They're legal, and if you don't honor them, you get a reputation, and you never get prototype anything or.
Well, I had to sign a few for jobs, construction and electrical company. Yeah.
Yeah, you won't be in business long if you don't honor the NDAs.
Exactly.
Basically, see how we do things. Don't tell the other company how we do things. Basically, same thing.
Yeah.
Just like NASA, they all have to sign NDAs. Do not say it's a movie set. Don't tell anybody.
Dude, you're God, man. You're really, man.
What was that movie about? What was that movie about the fake moon landing?
Saturn Capricorn 1 or Saturn
Capricorn
3,
1, I think. Yeah, that was a good movie.
Yeah.
I swear, man. There's some. I saw it, and yes, it wasn't no down studio.
Timor 714, exactly. That's what it was. Delrin. This original material was Delrin. Thank you for mentioning that. I couldn't remember the name. Yeah, it's very, very strong material. Yeah. Yes, sir. Oh, the silence is deafening.
We lost Kilroy. He's busy doing something.
No, I'm here. Ta-da!
Anything you want to talk about, Kilroy?
Well, self-promotion, right?
Yes, that's why you're all here.
Tonight,
Yeah, I'll
it's
promote.
not going to be a Simply Wooden Creations. So Chris and I, since I'm working evenings, we've been doing a model model day with Chris and Al. But anyway, he's working on the Lost in Space pod, and I was working on the find it now, on the Enterprise B.
Oh, nice.
And this is the one that I just finished it. I mean, I didn't detail it or anything, but that's why I'm just kind of moving it. But what I'm working on tonight is going to be this, which is the regular Enterprise. I wish it was the big one, but it's not. But I've had this for a little bit. So that's really all I'm doing. I've got all this stuff primed and ready to paint pretty much. I did, and where is it at? Well, I guess I could show you. Let me set this up real quick. Maybe not. Yeah,
I'm gonna head out, guys. I'm gonna head out, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. Got to go see if the food trucks are at the park yet for our barbecue.
Awesome.
Have a good rest of your day.
Have a great day.
Have a
See
fun
you later,
barbecue.
now, Father.
Take care.
See you later.
You said a great barbecue?
HOA, yeah, the HOA, we're putting on the end of summer barbecue, so.
Nice.
Oh, I don't want that. No HOA, man. No.
Hey, we're not too bad. We try to not be too controlling, but you know.
Eat a lot.
You left your trash can out too long. You ever see that thing with Sylvester Stallone?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, all right, guys, we'll talk to you.
Take care, buddy.
Take care, Hammer.
I got one.
Have a good one.
Hey, I'm trying to embellish this thing. You know me, right? I'm trying to embellish this. So the end, where the buzzard collectors go, I went ahead and 3D printed or designed in Fusion that right there. And I don't quite have the programming done right, but that's gonna be inserted, and hopefully with a lot other lights and stuff. I've got some nanos that don't have any headers on them, so they're real flat. All I have to do is just glue, solder the ends on there. But anyway, that's what I got going, and that's why I was kind of quiet, because I was setting up for tonight's stream at 8 o'clock.
Oh, nice. Garuk, is that off of Gambody?
You see this one here? That one's from 1980.
Okay. Yeah, I still watching Battlestar Galactica.
I've just been digging some stuff.
It was crazy that in the new series that they came out with 2 years ago, where they continued on the story like, 5 or 10 years ago, we come to find out that the Cylons were actually our descendants.
Oh, Cylons, right.
Yeah, yep. They were our descendants, and all the ones that we thought were human were the ones that were alien.
Yes.
Yep.
That was crazy.
I've got it all on DVD.
Yeah.
So you don't believe we went to the moon, but yet you believe in aliens. Okay.
I believe
in aliens.
So
Who
this
doesn't believe in aliens? Come on.
This thing,
Of course they're real.
This thing's going to become this thing right here. I'm going to use a nano. So this is a mega, mega 2 something, I can't remember. So that's what it's going to become. So I can use multiples of these throughout the lighting, I guess. At least that's how I'm going to approach it. They're like, I don't know, $3. It's just amazing how inexpensive they are.
Oh, Discovery. Isn't it Discovery? It's on Paramount right now. Star Trek Discovery.
I think so.
I think it's
Strange
Discovery.
World, I think.
Or yeah, that one.
Yeah.
A 2 nights ago. If anybody's seen that episode, I'm not going to talk about it, but it's spoiler. But wow, it was amazing what happened 2 nights ago.
You know, I haven't watched a single. Well, no, I have. I watched the first 2 seasons of Strange New World because I like to sit down and binge watch it, just the whole thing.
Yeah.
What is this girl doing?
Because if I start watching it, I want to watch it more.
Or at least have a couple of them connected, at least, if you get impatient.
Yeah, sure. 3 or 4, and they're what is it, episode 7 or 8 now?
I don't remember.
Chris has been watching it.
The one Thursday night, Kirk just becomes captain Thursday night.
Tell you what I've been stuck on is that Fallout.
That's cool. I've played the game Fallout 4, and have it, and I guess I'm stuck. Maybe I'm just too stupid to play it, but I love the game. I mean,
No, the show's on Amazon. It's pretty cool.
Yep.
Well, see, I haven't watched the show, so.
Oh, the show's really good.
It's killer.
Because the show was made after the game?
After the game, yeah.
Yeah.
And Bushido actually is part of it.
And it's on what?
Bushido, the creator of the game, Bushido. I believe it's Bushido, right? I'm probably saying it wrong.
Yeah, the new Alien Earth, that is really super cool. From 1 to 10, I'll give it a 20. Alien Earth, I'll give it a 20. It's been 2 episodes out.
That's a good show.
Excellent.
That's a great show.
Excellent.
Okay, good. Now I can watch it because I wasn't.
Oh God, is it good? Yeah, it's like you're sitting in the movie theater, but you're not there very long, so you got to go home. But yeah, 2 episodes you can watch. Really, really good. I'm a big sci-fi geek.
So I just, anybody try this Game Pass?
I have Game Pass.
You have Game Pass?
I've had it for years.
What service is it?
It's Xbox Game Pass, but you can download all these games onto your PC too.
Yep.
I don't have Xbox on PlayStation.
I have Amazon, and there's some type of, I think it's Amazon, there's some type of game on there, Game Pass on there too.
I kill console fanboys.
Oh.
Is that what you say? Really? Come on, Kenny, bring it. I still got my controller. They're still trying to get me.
You know what they did over the years, though. One game that has been ruined over the last 10 years. Call of Duty.
Oh, okay.
They ruined that game.
What, Call of Duty?
Yes.
I'm downloading Call of Duty 6 right now.
Why are they?
It's a freaking. That game is for freaks.
A money grab?
First-person shooter.
That's a sign of old age. You start,
No, it's just okay. Jerry, you're not a veteran. First of all, okay. Call of Duty is you're called to duty to serve your country. Okay, so it's just a disservice to some of the people fought. And no, it's not a sign of my age. That started off. I played the original versions. I played Call of Duty 4. Dude, Snoop Dogg, come on.
They're trying to get the kids to still be in it.
The Wii thing, come on.
But remember, Fortnite. The problem is Fortnite came in and took out Call of Duty, and all the kids jumped from Call of Duty to Fortnite. They had to give them something to bring them back in. Which I agree with you, Kenny. They have kind of defaced Call of Duty series, the franchise, and everything.
They haven't done it to Battlefield yet, and I'm surprised.
But they haven't done it to Black Ops either. But remember, those are special editions of Call of Duty.
See, and that's
I'm just saying, some of us, we really enjoy true battles, true simulated battle, not all this fairy dust bullshit.
Yeah.
PUBG also was in between there too. Does anybody?
Well, that's what it is. That's what it's turned into.
Yeah. And
I'm gonna slide in so I don't get shot. Yeah, that happens in real life. Yeah, sure. Or I'm gonna jump. I'm gonna jump so you don't miss me, so you can miss me.
Yeah.
Get a pogo stick and go across the battlefield on a pogo stick.
I've been playing Ark Survival for the last, 10 years or so, and I've gotten tired of money grab. Is what I want to say. That's why I asked about money grab, because there's this new and improved, but there's $5-10 attached to it, and not just you. And I serve or run the game. Not just you have to buy it, but everybody that plays also has to buy it, or else they can't join your server. And that's what I don't like about it. Unless I'm wrong, unless I'm totally off. I think that's the case.
That's why I'm liking this Game Pass, because Game Pass you get all these games and it's included with the price.
Yep. Yeah, that's why I like the Game Pass also.
Yeah.
You get all these different games, and then especially a game that you're kind of on the fence about, it's already included in Game Pass. You're
Yeah,
just
you
like,
don't know
oh,
if you want to
I'll
actually
buy
make
it.
the
Not
pay
like
for
it.
it.
You should see what the guy across the street has. You know that what is it? iRace sim. You know, like he's got the full on. He's got a managerial job and he makes bank. But anyways, when he was remodeling his house, because I knew we were going to do our kitchen, he let me in to see what he's doing in his house. Well, he's got a full on car simulator for racing. I mean,
Cool.
he's got the seat, he's got the 3 screens, he's got the whole enchilada.
They sell those at Micro Center for I think it's $2,300 for the whole setup like that.
I'm
with
just
the
surprised it
seat-
didn't do all the moving like you said it, and it moves.
Yeah, the same thing. Yeah, $2,300 will get you a whole setup like that.
Wow.
Dave, will you finance me?
Not a chance, but that's me first. Me first. I'm doing it. It's me first.
Shark Tank
Hilarious.
Yeah, like it'd move our fat asses. Come on now.
It fit my behind. So if it can fit me, it can fit you. I'm bigger than you.
Thank you.
And I can say that because I've
Robert.
seen you in person, so we're no small people.
We are not small people. You're right, Kenny. We are men who paid for our bodies with food.
You're fluffy. You guys are fluffy.
Yeah.
There you go.
He's at the fluffy level, right? You know what the next level from fluffy
Only
is?
when you have to pick me off the floor.
Yep.
I was extra fluffy, Kenny.
That's just extra fluffy Kenny that day.
I like that, fluffy.
Yeah,
That'd make a good name for a comedian, you think?
there is.
Yeah, fluffy.
Yeah, and he has these different stages of being big.
Where did I put?
Yeah,
Okay, so
and
talk
then
about-
he has. Did you ever see that little miniseries he had where he would go out, pig out, and then go work out?
Yeah, I gotta watch what I eat for that one though.
Wow, eat a lot of food. I want a nap.
Yeah, he went to the Cardiac Grill downtown.
Uh-huh.
Jeez.
Yeah, and of course I'm talking about
Have you
Gabriel
seen that place?
Iglesias.
That place is horrible.
Food's okay. Just
Oh, I heard.
Oh, there's been people that died out of that place.
Yeah, I know.
Really?
We went there and looked at
I
it.
seen a guy done the video reviewing it here a couple weeks ago, and he said all the hamburgers are well done. He couldn't get medium rare or anything. You get how they serve it to you. They wouldn't let him choose how it was cooked.
it's just a gimmick restaurant to get people to come in. That's all it is. It's another tourist.
Yeah, they swat you on the way out.
So should I mention what the original 5 levels of being large are, or is that not good?
Please, I want to hear this. I want to hear.
Okay. So what it is, according to I can't remember his name. Man, I watch him all the time.
Gabriel Iglesias, Fluffy.
Yeah, Gabriel Iglesias. Yeah, exactly. This is from him. I'm not making this up, and I just lost it.
And yeah, the last one is damn.
Okay, here it is. I got it. It's big, healthy, husky, fluffy, and dang!
I'm still fluffy. I ain't damn yet.
I'm trying to get rid of my fluffy.
Yeah, he even tells you how to talk to cops. Yeah, donuts.
So, my question is where do I come in, guys? Tell me, okay? Where do I fit in?
Well, you got the
Am I
Star
big?
Trek thing on you, so you got to be cool.
Husky?
Husky, you're smaller than me, so I go with husky.
Medium-sized fluffy.
Mid fluff.
Mid fluff. Mid fluff.
With my turkey.
That's called you had a lot of turkey over time.
Damn it, it's warping.
And yes, I've had my 4 Reese's cups for the day.
I can't
Where's
enjoy
the-
those things anymore.
Where's the wrapper? Oh, here it is. Yes.
Thank you, Penny. I can't have sugar anymore.
Another dead soldier.
Only chilled. I can't handle them if they're warm. They got to be chilled.
No, I can't.
Right. That's where we in the refrigerator. That's the first place they go in. They go in the fridge.
Original
my doctor says low carb, and I've been trying to low carb, but it's so hard, man. It just, you know, I don't know. How many carbs in a can of ginger ale? 33 grams. That's what I should be having a day, supposedly.
Yeah.
I drink Coke Zero. I'm a diabetic. I have to watch my carbs too. So
I drink my wife's
not
Coke
easy.
Zero.
Well, I don't know.
I'm newly diagnosed, but we'll see what the fifth says.
I take and drink the artificial sweeteners, and to me, in the back of my mind, it's I'm drinking this chemical that's just as bad for my body as if I was drinking candy.
Yeah.
I'm only 5.7 A1C, so you know. Now my
7.9.
sister, on the other hand, the retired nurse, God, she's on insulin.
Well, they just say I'm pre-diabetic.
You're pre-diabetic.
I'm pre-diabetic, but I like to boast about my 89-point cholesterol level. Ha ha! Beat me, baby.
Well,
My cholesterol is beautiful too.
My cholesterol is fine. It's within levels. I just had a test. It's
No, I have low
LDL, which is the good cholesterol. It's a little bit low.
Ricky Designs, why don't you pop in? You got time? You're welcome.
Now, if you want to talk to liver, yeah, that's another subject.
No, my liver's had time to reconstruct itself from my youth.
No, I just got my results back from my doctor, and I tested at a 7.9 A1C. And I told her I ate more. I didn't get a chance to fast or anything, so they're gonna retest me on the 5th.
Yeah,
my sister still can. She was way past that before she went on insulin, and she was a retired nurse. She likes to eat anything she can.
It's what you consume at the drive-in or through the drive-in.
I'm freaking out.
What is it, the hormones that they put in the meat? Or
I don't know what to eat, what not to eat, what I can do, what I cannot do. So it's just, I mean, my mom's diabetic, but talking to her is like a lecture.
Yeah.
I still think we looking at the 70s and 80s, I still think we outlived those people. The people that died in their 60s and 70s back then, I think we outlive them because of the prescriptions we have now.
We know a little bit more.
Right,
we know what not to do more of the.
Because at 67, I should be dead.
There you go, Al.
Ooh.
This is what I've been working on.
Yeah.
That's what I need to work on after I found out mine sucked.
What is that?
This is my I built this one 8 months ago.
What is that card?
The card? The
Yeah.
GeForce GTX, it's a 1070.
Nice.
But this one's going to my daughter. This is the one that I'm rebuilding. But mind you, I'm keeping this case. She's getting this case, so I got to swap it.
Sounds like fun.
This is what I've been working on here. And this is, what is it, the AMD 5? It's the Ryzen 7 7800, something like X3D or something weird. Nice. And then the card itself is a, what is the card?
God, look at that cooler you got on that thing.
Hey, Kenny.
Card's a 5070.
What?
My hemoglobin A1C last time I was tested was 7.2.
Up there.
Yeah, the 5070 is a monster, man.
The video card? Yeah.
I've got a 4070, and it's a 16 gig. That thing's 32 or?
No, that's only 12. Believe it or not. Yeah, it's the 5070 is a 12, but it's AI ready.
Wow.
My stupid behind got a 4050.
Well, this one's it's a 1070, but it's an 8 gig and it works beautiful.
Oh yeah. Nothing wrong with that. Yeah.
I think the one in the house is a 4070 because I just got it around Christmas.
Hi, baby boy. No.
So yeah, I've been transferring all my files and email and all that.
This laptop's a 3080 Alienware i9.
Alienware's pretty good. They've been good.
For a couple
yeah,
weeks
but
now.
Good boy.
I just realized one of my LEDs is out of my fan.
You farted.
For a couple of weeks now, Yahoo Mail has informed me that I have to start buying for more storage, or I have to delete a zillion files, which I
Yeah.
couldn't find them anywhere. Then when I finally found them in archive, I was on my PC trying to delete them, and it wouldn't let me delete everything, even though it said I tagged everything. I had to go to my cell phone. My cell phone, it was very easy to wipe everything out within minutes, but I couldn't do it trying for days and days on my PC. But through the cell phone, it's simple.
Is that Apple or is that
Android.
That was what I was going
Android?
to ask.
But Yahoo, it doesn't matter. Yahoo, Yahoo Mail, you could have it from whatever provider.
So, yeah,
Gary,
this
did you hear what Sean said?
No,
Is it an iPhone or an Apple?
Apple. No, I don't do Apple. I got a Android.
That's pretty sad about AOL
Sean,
going down.
There's your answer,
AOL.
Sean.
Android is the best.
I love Android. Here's the funny part. So, matter of fact, this that I'm using right now is my normal phone. That's a Pixel 6.
Yeah.
That's my everyday phone. Now, for farting around, other than doing videos or playing games, it's that, what is it? No, it's the newest freaking.
Oh.
My
George, it
nephew,
looks like-
his girlfriend gave him this phone, and they broke up, and he was just about ready to throw it. And I'm like, no, I'll buy it. And he goes, give me $100. I'm like, here you go.
Oh my God. $100.
I always put rugged cases on my phone in case I ever drop them or
Yeah,
something.
yeah.
Yeah.
OtterBox.
But the only I'm not going to use. I'm not an Apple person. But their cameras are awesome.
Yeah, the iPhone's really good though. It really,
Android
really
all the way. Last iPhone I had, it bricked on me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I bleed green. Put it that way.
And like
I
me,
bleed
same thing.
green.
I love Android. I'm just
That's
Android.
what I'm just said. I bleed green.
Yeah.
I even have a shield in my living room. If you know what a shield is. You know what a shield is?
No.
TV box?
No.
Android shield?
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah, for TV, for getting certain shows,
Well,
You know what
I
I'm
thought
saying?
it was to play games, the TV Pro, right?
Well, yeah, you can play games with it too.
It's
Yeah,
a streaming media player.
yeah.
Yeah.
It's like the Cadillac of streaming media players.
Yeah, and they're $250 at Best Buy.
Yeah.
No, they're $200. They're $240 at Office Depot.
Yeah, shields are nice.
You know, what is this? I can't even say XWiber Tech. iCrap and Bamboo. I agree. I'm not going to lie. I love Bamboo when they first came out, but when they started locking it down, it reminded me of MakerBot. It's like, you know what? No.
They remind me too much of Apple. You know?
Of Bamboo?
Maybe,
Yeah.
maybe that's why I like it.
Well, I mean, I have one. I love the printer. The printer itself runs great, but the things that they've done and locked it up, I'm not a fan of. But that's
In
me.
a couple of years, I'll be done with it and be moving on to something else. And that's how I approached it.
Okay, Zybertech. Okay, my apologies. I'm great with screwing up names.
Guess what, guys? It's Polymaker giveaway time. And I got everybody here with me on the screen. Let's see me make sure it's reset. Yep, it's reset and ready to go. So anywhere you live in the world, the Polymaker delivers to, which is almost anywhere, you might win a roll of filament right now. Just type hashtag Polymaker in chat. After about 5 minutes, we'll do a drawing. You'll say something in chat saying, yeah, hey, I'm here, I won. And I'll give you my email. You can shoot me an email. I'll send you back your link and code immediately upon winning. If you won earlier, you can't win again.
But last week, it's okay.
Yeah.
Grab that time machine.
I don't know. I
eligible.
think it was last week.
These are not the entries you're looking for.
Currently got 15.
I am so tempted to build a droid.
What kind of droid?
Polymaker?
the kind that go,
Hey,
Kind
I
of.
I could just imagine the money though,
Oh,
this
ain't
is,
that
price tag.
this
cute?
is on Maker World.
There
This
you
is
go,
a
Kenny.
really fun build. It's a
I mean,
card,
a
actually.
full-on droid, the little two, an RDT. Boy, I can't even say it.
R2D2.
Isn't this
R2D2.
the droid, though?
But can you imagine the money?
I've got 5 little droids, Kenny, that are real small. We could trade something. I'll give you all of them. They're all on remotes. They're all printed. They got motors. And they drive
Here
all
you
that
go.
stuff.
Oh, we
Julian.
But
need the
I
hug,
didn't
Jerry.
make it.
No.
I know. I understand.
What?
You didn't make it after all.
That's the reason why I didn't buy the Ghostbuster thing. I didn't
It,
make it.
but it wasn't here. I can tell you that for sure. That would have handed it to you.
I could sit around, have that big old freaking station wagon looking thing, and but I didn't make it.
The guy that bought that in Arizona, I think it was,
Bottles of stuff
he repainted it and made a hearse out of it. I couldn't believe it, but whatever.
Yeah, when I first went to Jerry's for the GK2, he had the Echo.
Ecto 1, Ghostbuster
Yeah.
car
Yeah, the
3.
Echo 1, yeah.
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 Is that what you had, Jerry?
Yeah, I printed
And
it.
he painted it into a black hearse?
Yeah, I had it painted, but it wasn't finished. I had all the parts printed, but it wasn't done. I had it partially built, not completely. The body was all together. I just didn't have the wheels and interior and things like that all the way on it. Doors weren't on it yet. I wound up selling it. I had it forever.
I guess he couldn't appreciate Ghostbusters.
I thought a couple times saw my Han Solo.
Yeah, it's just stuff. It can all be replaced.
Yeah, because he's up there now.
Hey, Dave Gatton's out there. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, Dave Gatton, how you doing, buddy?
Dave who?
Oh, I'm scrolling through, couldn't get caught up on chat. Yeah, David said hi in chat earlier. I don't know if he was still here.
Yeah, he still is.
He might be working and listening.
Yeah, he must have entered, right?
Oh, Mr. Gatton did.
Yeah, it doesn't straight the Hobbymaker from the chat.
Where'd Sprinkle Nips go?
Right here. Right here.
Yeah.
Sprinkle Nips had to go sprinkle.
No, I'm right here.
He's here. He's looking for something in the shop.
I'm trying to find.
Because after the drawing, I do got a question for you.
Trying to find my damn nanopolymer. I just bought a brand new bottle.
And it's not printer related.
Ah.
Not.
Well, look where you keep your vape juice and hope you didn't set it there. Because I did that one time. Thank God I didn't vape it.
No, it's brand new, still in the bag.
What's your question, Uncle Kenny?
All right, I'll go ask now. See, there goes that name again. So how did you find out about this charity?
One of our other maker friends reached out to us and asked us if we were interested because they also stand up to cancer on a regular basis. Normally they do the walks.
Yeah, and when I was talking to my sister, because I was being vague because I didn't know too much about it, but I did, the next day I did do a little bit more research, and I did see that it started off with Lego makers or Lego people. So I was wondering what's all this builder stuff. I thought, because originally I thought it was just the 3D community, and I did a little, more digging, and I'm like, oh.
No, believe
so
it
we
or
were
not,
the 3D community was, because I was like wondering, well, if we're doing this, where's everybody else at? Where's 3D printing? Or where's this guy? Where's that guy?
Well,
then I said, oh.
into it. Kenny, the 3D community got brought into it because some people in the 3D community watched the Lego makers, and they invited the 3D printing community, and we kind of dominated. I mean, we're small but mighty, as it is, but we came out and represented for this. I mean, it's already over 110. I think it's $111,000 that we raised already.
Yep, that's good.
Wow.
That's a good number.
Wow.
That's a good number.
That's great.
So it's a great cause.
Yeah, I'm part of it. I gave.
Yes,
I think
he
it's
did.
awesome.
Like that, yes, he did. Everybody in our community gave. It's amazing how many of our normal subscribers came through, even some that didn't subscribe to us. I had some random people hit us up with donations of, thanks to Uncle Kenny, him and his sister.
Hey Jeff, how you doing?
But we also had Klondike supported us. Hanson Haulers was a big one. 3D Medic Vince. They made some really big donations, to help us get to where we crushed our goal. I originally just had it set at $500, and I think we're at almost $1,200 now.
Wow.
Like $30-some away from $1,200.
So far, you got one nip, right?
Yeah, I was going to ask that. How far are you from it?
So it's $1,000 got us the one nip pierced. The $1,500 would get us to 2 nips pierced. So,
let's all take contributions. we got to see Dave in pain.
You're already gonna see me in pain for the one, but yeah, it's a good cause. If we get to like $14,999, I'm good with that also.
Yeah, and I even opened my mouth that night, the one that I was there, and said I would do the Death Nut challenge.
Yep.
And nobody took me up on it.
That's the thing.
I said $100 and I'll do Death Nuts.
There's always other campaigns and other good causes that we'll probably contribute to as well in the future. This is our first ever fundraiser.
But then again, I can handle.
Yeah, give it another minute for the contest. Hashtag Polymaker like champ.
I can handle Carolina Reaper jerky, so Death Nuts probably is nothing to me. I mean, it would hurt, but I could handle it.
So some guys want to know the balance to get to the 1,500, so they can put a chain between the two.
Oh my goodness! Not happening. I've already got threats of a Prince Albert and all kinds of other stuff. So, no, I'm good with the dips. We're not putting chains on it. I've already picked out the actual design once it heals up. Because apparently I don't know. I have no clue about body piercings. And I'm like, oh yeah, I want this one here. This one will work. And they're like, no, you can't wear that till after everything heals up. Then you can wear those.
I've got this little kit that you can buy, and it comes with all sorts of little chains and stuff. They perfectly work, and if you like, you can use gold too. Or anyway, you can even get industrious,
Oh my God!
All right,
really
before we get into it, I got one other question. A while back, I don't remember if it was Chris Angel, but somebody had piercings on their back, and then got picked up with a helicopter.
I've seen that. Oh, yeah. I've seen that.
Mm. What do you think of that, huh?
Couldn't pay me enough.
Oh.
Morphine.
All right, guys, let's go with the drawing now. Good luck to everybody that entered. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I think that would hurt.
You think it would hurt?
Winner, chicken dinner?
No.
Nope.
Roger Brown, congratulations. You won a roll of Polymaker. Roger, are you in chat? Please say something. That was my dog.
I was going to say, that didn't sound like Roger.
Hey.
Come here.
Congrats, Roger.
What am I doing, right?
And he's in the chat.
Yes.
Confirmed. Right here. Yeah. Congrats. Roger, here's my email right here in chat. Shoot me an email. I'll shoot you the code back in a few minutes with the link. Congratulations. Alrighty. Okay, dog, if you get a cracker, you won something too, okay?
I'm a winner all over.
Or you want high blood pressure.
Here we go. I haven't shown this off forever. I love this piece. Hey, you can find this. I had this up on Thingiverse.
Very welcome.
Wow.
So I have different tips and heads too.
Screw on what it is.
It slipped into a PVC pipe.
Oh, okay. Press fit.
Okay,
like I kind of cheated.
No, that makes total sense.
Sand people carry those, right?
Yeah.
This is an old one.
Sand people?
Yep.
Yeah, that's why I heard the noise. I figured it had to be sand people.
Yep, sound people.
Cool.
It's kind of hard to get it into.
I love that you use the PVC. Seriously,
You know, it's
that
hard to believe. The first time I've seen those movies was in the 70s.
yeah, 78 to be exact. 76, 78, right?
I was like 12 years old in '76.
That was
Yeah,
like
I was with a group. I was with a group of friends from my church.
Kenny was 25 when I was 12. Big Kenny.
Wow.
I think I just found a new place to hang my. Oh.
I saw King Kong premiere. What else did I see? I'm talking L.A.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Looks like something out of Mad Max.
That I don't know what to call it. Lady dude with the goggles.
What are those?
Part of Sand People?
They came off a TV set years ago, a rear projection TV.
Yeah,
my neighbor was throwing out, and I'm like, you know what? I got 4 of these. Someday maybe I'll make some kind of a helmet or something, or make big eyeballs or something. These are cool.
Gary, I still have one of those projection TVs in my garage.
You have some?
Well, the whole projection TV is in there.
Okay.
All
and
right.
it works.
Back to this Call of Duty thing. Back around with Call of Duty 4, I was in a clan. It was Old Men Gone Wild was our clan.
Old Men Gone Wild.
Yeah, Girls Gone Wild. Anyways.
Yeah.
I got you.
One of our guys back east, one of those things from an observatory. I think
this might not work.
Huh? I'm talking about I think they call it a projector or whatever, but it does stars on a dome, like for an observatory.
Yeah.
I mean, they're ink. I mean, they got lenses all over them, and they're like a big ant. Because like the observatory in LA, we have one. Of course.
Yeah, it's not gonna work.
But this
a
guy,
planetarium projector, right? A star projector.
Yeah, this guy had one in his garage.
Yeah.
And I'm like, whoa! That brought back, field trip, memories. When I was a kid.
Is it a Universitarian?
It's like everybody has seen the Griffith Observatory on TV shows. I've been there, and yeah, that's one thing I do like about my hometown is that we got the Griffith Observatory.
Just that one thing?
Well, that and the Walk of Fame.
Oh, nice. Yeah.
Yeah, me and my sister, when we went to Catalina one day, and then the next day we took her down to Hollywood, and she actually stood in Ron Howard's shoes on the at ramen. Man, that was just made her day.
I stand corrected. The total amount raised was $119,000.
Oh. There
so
we
what
go.
does that mean?
That means that we donated $119,000 towards research, awareness, support, all that stuff.
What was the goal?
Okay, Roger, I just sent you the code and the link.
Oh, we crushed the goal. The goal was 100,000.
Yeah, that's very good. Awesome.
Yeah, the goal
Peter, if you're, let me say something real quick. Peter, if you're still in chat, I seen your email. You didn't respond quick enough. We waited almost 5 minutes. I redrew, and Garuk won the Ziltec. I just sent you back an email explaining that.
Yeah, sorry, bud.
It happens almost every week. Somebody's not there. They got a commercial or something happened, and they miss responding in time.
But I think that was very commercial.
Okay. All right. I know you've won here many times throughout the years, so it's no big deal, right?
Looks like he's good with it.
Yeah.
Good support.
I put enough wire on this thing. Oh well.
Yeah, I've been on live streams before where people have won, and I've even went so far as to hit them up on Facebook. Go, dude, say something. You just won, and they usually don't because they're busy off doing something. But you know,
Might have been a restroom break.
yeah, or commercials or whatever. I don't know.
Yeah.
Could be doing
Always something. I just appreciate Ziltech and Paul Maker allow me to give away filament. I get nothing out of it from them, so I appreciate them allowing me to do it. Yeah, Kenny, you've won here before, haven't you? Polymaker and Ziltech?
Oh, yeah.
All right.
Wow.
Dominic, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Dominic.
Is she falling asleep, guys? No.
Hey, let's go talk to this bald-headed guy. What are you up to? What up to, Ken?
Hey,
He's lighting up his life over there.
Oh, yeah.
I like
Now you're going to have a rave in his house tonight at a party.
Back to the
getting a bit organized. See, you notice that I got a similar light to yours. Actually, hang on.
Light up life.
There we go. Well, it actually looks better with the black on it.
Yeah, I like the black too.
I like the black. And then here, let me just do that.
Yeah, that gives it contrast. Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. There we go.
I'm going to go grab the dog some bones. Keep going, Tim.
Yeah. So, anyways, I like these boxes. This was a Russ. You guys know Russ that comes on here. His design. He was generous enough to share the files with me so I could make some customized. So the lights that go in them, I was paying. This one that I was just playing with was a 1 meter long Amazon purchase for $9.99. Okay, not bad.
Are you out of your mind?
Exactly. Are you out of your mind? These ones, which I have 50 of, Alibaba, 97 cents US each.
How long will they last?
And they come with a remote.
97 cents?
97 cents US plus shipping. Okay, so in Canada, when you convert everything to Canadian dollars, etc., it was about $1.80 Canadian, shipping and everything included, and exchange. It sure beats $9.99, and the $9.99 one did not come with a remote. It just came with a little switch right here on the thing.
Nice.
So
How long
not
did
a
it
bad
take to
deal.
get there?
About 9 working days.
Oh, that ain't bad.
That's not bad at all. Not bad at all.
I'm thinking like a month or something, but yeah, 9 days.
The company I dealt with was great. He kept sending me pictures of the progress. Then he sent me pictures of my actual packages laid out. Then he sent me a picture of it in the box, sent me a picture of the label, shipped it. It was really good. It was really good dealing with this particular company on there.
I have a question, Tim.
Huh?
I have a question. So the lights that you got for 97 cents from Alibaba, how long did they last long or?
Well, I've had one. I've got one at my office. I did with a customer logo, and it was. I've had it running for about 5 days straight now, no problem. So yeah.
Thank you.
I think it's all the same stuff out of China where they give on Amazon and pay 20 times more. So it's all the same stuff.
The same one I bought on Amazon was made in China. They're all made the same place.
Yeah.
Right? So, yeah, and they're USB 5
you buy on Amazon, only they mark it up.
Now,
Shenzhen, China, like every printer.
did those come with the lights, or did you have to add the lights?
No, these are built from scratch, right? So you add the lights to them, right?
Okay.
So these are built in multiple pieces. You cut out the files, you glue your pieces together, you put the lights in, and yeah.
Yes. So RGB lights, and you just use the controller.
Yeah, yeah. Mm-hmm.
That's awesome. That's cheap, actually.
It's actually really cool.
A dental office, a doctor's office.
Okay, one at a time.
Yeah.
Sorry.
That's okay.
I'm thinking out loud.
What did you say, Jerry? You asked something about Patreon?
Is that from the Patreon at freefiles.com or not?
No, this is from Russ Gare.
Oh, okay, Russ. Then I can show you a close-up. So I thought that looked like Russ's design.
Yeah, and that's the same one you have on your desk.
Let's see if I can change.
So where do you get it?
Russ designed it from scratch in Lightburn, and then he sent Tim the files, and then this one he made for me and sent me. This one I didn't make, but he did.
Awesome.
Russ did send me some other files, but if I didn't save them, they got deleted in my email when I had to clean out everything to make Yahoo happy. But I'm not sure if I still have them. But yeah, it's done in multiple layers.
That's the multi-layer one. Yours is a 5-layer one. Mine's a 3-layer one.
Okay.
That is beautiful.
Have you done the multicolor prints yet for lights?
Multicolor prints?
What are we using for the diffuser?
This stuff right here.
Oh, that.
Tracing
same
paper.
stuff that I had to get the same stuff. Oh, tracing pad.
Tracing paper. So basically you get 50 sheets of this translucent tracing paper. We've all used this in school, I bet, when we were younger.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
For me, I thought it was that plastic, like when I made my Reaper 3D sets. The instruct get this thin plastic, and it almost looks similar to that.
Rice paper works pretty good.
Behind me. Which filament?
I end up eating it though.
These filament boxes?
I'm just thinking that what you could do with that though, Tim. Like I said, dental offices, doctor's
somebody asked me
offices.
about the brand of filament behind me. This is all Polymaker filament here.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then I got a bunch more over there and a bunch more up here.
Are they all full or partials or whatever? You just put it back in the box?
But yeah, I put them back in the box. These are all the Panchromas, and then I have up top some of the Polysonics, and then on another shelf I have some of the new PLA HT. So
Is your Panda as big as he looks, or he's just that close to the camera?
my Panda is hanging off my screen.
Oh, little guy.
Here, comparison here.
Is your Panda that big or just happy to see us? Well,
Oh my God. I'm gonna go there.
Okay, this is a screen capture. There we go. He's just hanging off the monitor.
This is what I was saying about 3D printed lights.
Oh, okay.
So it's,
I like that. Yeah.
If I see that sign again, oh my God.
Yeah.
DMCA.
I got a whole bunch of those switches too. So I got a bunch of those switches I need to put to use.
Is that what's burning your vape pipe or a candle? We see smoke.
Vape. It's vape. It's vape. It's vape.
I'm cheating today.
Oh, cigarette. Okay. Yeah, I haven't smoked in a long time. I didn't even think about cigarettes sitting there.
Yeah, I need to stop it.
You know, when I smoked, like my whole life up until I was like 49, I smoked almost 2 packs a day. I enjoyed bashing people at work for smoking, and then they'd start to get all upset and they'd see a pack in my shirt pocket, then they'd shut up. So just messing with them.
Last spring when I went to the picnic and I'm in California, I seen a pack of smokes in the grocery store. The price, how much do you think that was in California?
$12.
About a pack.
It's ridiculous.
When I
roll my own.
They were $1.75 for a pack of 5 for the Cigarillo cigars. Now they're like $7.80. So glad I don't smoke
And
anymore.
cigarettes are even more expensive.
But one thing I did do in the 70s, Eric cigar, the little sweet Eric cigars.
Yeah.
The little cherry flavor ones. I did do those back in the day.
Swisher Sweets.
Yeah.
You know, when I had to do an air test on my truck, I bought a couple of those that he's talking about, and I hooked it up to my pump, and I was pumping air, smoking through my engine on my truck because I couldn't find a vacuum leak. And I haven't smoked in a long time. Those actually tasted good. My dad used to smoke big cigars, and man, those things were disgusting. They're nasty. They stunk. But these little ones Kenny's talking about, they smell good. Yeah.
Cigarillo, Swisher Sweets.
Yep.
I like the Swisher Sweets too. Hey Jerry, I put a link in of a clip from what Tim did a little bit ago. I don't know if you want to show it or not. He asked for the clip, so that's.
Where's it at? Oh, I see it right here.
It's in the inside chat. Yeah.
Okay. Oh, sprinkle nets.
What I do?
Remember when I emailed you wanting that link off Amazon?
Oh. Yeah.
I ordered that when you gave it to me, but when I came back in here this morning for the stream, it was still sitting there from last week.
Oh.
And it saved it. I figured when I shut the stream down, it would have taken it, but it saved it.
Good.
Like this.
Where in the world?
Not so much. It's not lights.
There we go. Check that. That's from Kilroy right there. You guys can see that.
Nope, can't see it.
24 volt or 5
Here,
volt.
this will help. It's right
Yeah,
there.
there you go.
Oh my God, you didn't.
I did.
What is it?
Oh, man.
Okay to show or see?
It's okay to show, but yeah,
Okay.
you don't. Yeah, that's. I didn't mean it. I didn't really mean it, but I'll have to use that in my opening video now.
Yeah, mean what? That's pretty cool. There you go.
Oh, that thing with the panda. Oh man.
Yeah, me
No matter what you do,
me
it
blowing
just-
smoke up the panda's butt.
Oh. Okay. I didn't realize what it was.
Is it
Yeah,
not a good thing?
when I walked away and left 10 on full screen, people were going to come and go, honey, is it Sunday? Is today Sunday? Is it 4 o'clock? Tim's on.
That's Terry all the time. I gotta watch Tim. Tim's on today.
So I've dialed in the CO2 laser to cut 5mm clear acrylic in one pass, really
Looks
nice.
great.
And this is the keychain that one of my viewers on Sunday won that I've done a few keychains.
Great.
And I'm going to send these to him. So here's another one here that I did for him.
Is that one side coming out at an angle?
It still is, yeah. I mean, it's not a major deal. Still coming in, but just the one now. So I'm going to continue tweaking it and playing with it and trying to figure out what the problem is, because the other sides are coming out nice and clear. And this is cutting and engraving beautiful. So, but yeah.
That looks really good, Tim.
That's turned out really good for 5mm acrylic. I mean,
Right.
one pass. So yeah, I think I've got it pretty much dialed in now. So
That's technically or close to 1/4 inch, right?
yes, 5mm is. I can tell you exactly. I have an actual ruler here that has inches on it. I think.
I got one.
I'm in Canada. I should have one.
Right.
That is.
Probably metric.
Yeah, that is probably 3/16 of an inch.
Okay, 3/16. Yeah.
Yeah.
You
I
guys
could do a
are
quarter.
standard up there?
Yeah.
And that's only at 60% power, so I'm sure I could get through 1/4 inch acrylic.
0.20.
Yeah.
Yeah, which is just 0.05 under.
Yeah.
A 1/4 inch.
Yeah. I could get through 1/4 inch, I'm sure, with one pass.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. I like
Yeah.
it.
So it's CO2.
For a cheap entry level CO2, it's great.
How many watts?
40.
Yeah, that'll cut it nicely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
I
Tim, I
found-
got a question.
Yes, I'll have an answer, Kenny.
What's your definition of a hoser?
A hoser. Get
That's
out
the
of
first thing
here.
that went through my mind.
Yeah, a hoser. We don't use that word anymore. Really, that's so 80s.
Hey,
That's,
All right.
that's Saturday Night Live from. I don't want to say Bill and Ted. That's not right.
No.
From,
Bob and Doug McKenzie.
Bob and Doug McKenzie. Yes. Yeah, and they drank.
Take off, you hoser.
Ask Alexa what she thinks it is.
On the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me
Yes,
beer.
Yes. Beer.
Alexa, what is a hoser?
They came from.
Hoser is a noun meaning a person who is considered unintelligent or uncouth, especially a beer drinking man.
Ooh,
There we go.
You
Must
don't
be
know
a
how to
bee.
use it. Do you want to hear it?
No.
They came
That's
from
what
Texas
Siri
City TV.
Hey Siri, what is a hoser?
Andrew John Hosierburn, known professionally as Hosier, is an Irish musician. His music
Hosier.
from folk, soul, and blues, often using religious.
No. What is I love my Canadians. A Canadian hoser. Hey Siri.
Siri don't know.
Are you deaf now? I love it.
Yeah, that's another thing. When Amazon doesn't work right, or when she didn't, why do I say she? The device. Anyways, when it doesn't work right, do you ever swear yours out? We do.
No, I always be nice to it, is what I've heard. Always be nice to your AI. Say, I love you.
because you never know.
Have you done this one before? Hey Siri, I see a little silhouette of a man.
Scaramouche, Scaramouche.
I found the silhouette of a man.
Oh,
Check it out.
she's not. My voice isn't. It's not speaking it out loud for me.
And
Scaramouche,
That's a good one.
Scaramouche,
That's a good one, Tim.
of a man.
Oh,
But
Tim.
she'll sing the rest of the song for you.
Tim, when we done the egg box a long time ago, me, Tripod Sam, and Marcel, I just got yesterday or they.
Galileo, Figaro, Magnifico. I'm just a poor assistant. Nobody loves me. It's just a poor assistant from a poor family. Spared its life from this monstrosity. Easy come. Will you let me go? Bismillah. No, we will not let you go. Let it go. Bismillah. We will not let you go. Let it go. Bismillah. We will not let you go. Let me go. Will not let you go. Let me go. Never, never let you go. Never let me go.
You know, I got demonetized on the video, so I messaged Tripod. He said he did a couple years ago. I don't remember which one it was, but one of those egg bot videos just got demonetized.
Really?
Yeah.
Wonder why.
I don't know if it was music in it that we used a long time ago or what. I don't remember because we all multi-stream that, so I don't remember who did what.
Yeah, I do remember the
Just
multi-stream and all
don't
that.
do
Yeah.
the Eagles. Just the Eagles is a no-no. They get hostile.
What I don't understand is how these, and I can't remember his name, but this guy plays guitar and he's always playing the tunes and the riffs and stuff and talking about them and stuff. How he doesn't get demonetized? Does he get a flag saying it's okay?
I think it's something to do with how long it goes on. I think you've got like 15 seconds or something.
I don't do anything over 10. I've never done anything over 10.
Yeah.
I've been playing. Whether it's a video clip or whatever, you can have multiple clips in your video, but don't have them connected and never go over 10 seconds.
Right.
So when I'm editing and I put it in there, I let nothing go over 10 seconds.
But he's also not playing the original song. There's a group on one of the social medias. They're called the Greystones. They're a bunch of kids that do cover albums for the Eagles and a bunch of things. They're actually very good, and they play whole songs and they don't have a problem. So.
Yeah. Hey, Tech Jeeper, how you doing? There's some content creators that pay to play music. You'll notice most of them in casinos in Vegas, they wear their mics on their lapel or whatever, and you can't hear it. But other places, you can hear it loud as day. They're at a concert filming or there's something going on, and they don't get nailed. It's probably because they're paying some service to be allowed to play that stuff.
Yeah, I believe it's called DMCA. They get some type of contract or some type of, I don't know what they do though.
So what it is
DMCA.
I'm thinking the same thing.
It's called the RIAA. The RIAA regulates pretty much the funds that go to each one of the creators of the art. So it's the recording industry of artists something. It's RIAA. There's many companies that you can buy music streaming specifically for it. One of them is Mood Music. Most hotels use Mood Music. It used to be called Muzak.
Yeah, Muzak, yes.
Yeah, it used to be called Muzak, but Muzak got bought out by Mood Music. Mood Music is, if you think of your elevator music, they can have a stream that just has instrumentals, or you can have another channel that plays songs that are part of the RIAA, as the artists get their money if they're part of the organization. They get paid every time.
Take care, Tanya. Have a great day. Everybody say goodbye to Tanya. He's
They
taking
get the
off.
money and you're allowed to play it publicly.
I'll see you soon.
All right.
What I find interesting is you can have a minute short.
Blue light special on aisle 3. You know, my memories of Kmart when I was a little kid. Now, granted, I'm 61 right now. I would go with my sister every week. We'd go to Kmart, walk into the front door. Jerry got a Slurpee, and a lot of times a toy if I was good. And I remember that every week forever with my sister growing up. And they had really good ham sandwiches that in modern day terms were crap, but they had really good ham sandwiches too.
A toy if you were good. You didn't get many toys, did you?
Yeah. Hey, I just did that. Hey.
But was it a blue light special or a red light special? Didn't Walmart have the blue light specials and Kmart have the red light specials?
Kmart had
blue light.
Blue light, yeah.
Then Walmart got the red light special.
I don't think Walmart ever had anything in Vegas.
I thought they did.
Not that I can remember.
Now, when I went to Germany, there was a red light, but I'm not going to see where that was at.
Yeah.
Right. There's a lot of red lights, isn't there?
Green light.
And another thing, when I was a little kid, and a lot of people said, well, I wouldn't be proud of saying that, but when I was a little kid, yeah, I didn't have much. My family didn't give me that much. Only my sister ever bought me a lot of things. But compared to the neighbor kids at Christmas, I didn't get much. I had a bike. We had alleys. I would ride my bike up and down alleys, and I'd find the coolest stuff. I was, I was a garbage picker, and I would find the coolest stuff people would throw out. I got models and all kinds of stuff when I was younger. So anyway.
Dumpster diving.
And right now, when I go somewhere, if a neighbor throws out some cool stuff in the neighborhood somewhere, I'll stop, pick it up, put it in my truck. That's why I own a truck, so I can get good stuff. I don't go out and look for things, but if I happen to be going somewhere and see it, why let it go to waste if I can use it?
Attention Kmart shoppers, we have a blue light special for the next 15 minutes on aisle 5.
And you wouldn't want to visit my trash can outside the shed right now because I have been cleaning some stuff up. I saw how you were eyeballing my stuff, Jerry, when you were over here.
Oh, mail delivery! Film it!
Awesome.
Somebody's excited.
It's only 11 rolls. It's only 11 rolls.
You got a camera watching your out front, or you have a notification?
Oh, I have a, no, I just looked on there because Terry said, do I have something being delivered? And I'm like, oh yeah, I do have filament coming today.
Okay.
I normally get, whenever I bulk buy, I get it from like King Rune when they have like their $89.99 for 10 roll special.
Uh-huh.
And it'll just, you just have to suck it up and deal with every color because you can't, it's hard to it's either white, black, gray, or they pick 10 colors for you. But for $89.99, I'll take it.
I tried some
I was
GST.
trying to say earlier that what was it? Moving. I'll have to look it up. But yeah, that they deal in bulk.
GST 3D is who I bought from years ago in the U.S. 10 rolls for like $100.
Yeah, it's called Free Mover. Just remember, Free Mover.
Yeah, okay. King Rune. I've had no issues with King Rune since I've used it. It's not like exceptionally awesome. It's just
I had some red from King Rune that printed nice a long time ago until I got rid of all my film a couple months ago.
It's just good, like if you want to make a draft or something, or you don't want to use your expensive stuff right away until you're trying something out, a new model. That's the way I look at it.
Yeah, I have a quick question for Terry. Okay, now this is actually about Dave. You ever know where, you get the deer in the headlight look, or, you think of that thing that swirls around, right? What did you say to Dave to make him go into this phase? And I'll show you what I mean.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
What in the world is that face?
It's buffering. It's buffering.
Was that yesterday?
That was one of at the end of the live, how it just stops, and the look on Dave's face, and you're looking at him, it's like, what did you say?
I don't even
remember.
That one of those questions like, did you fart? No, not me.
Hey, I know. Let's try
I had to capture that.
Let's try to.
She's reading chat, and he's looking at the camera like, I don't know what to tell you guys.
That was a while ago.
Can I ask him to pose the very exact same way as they are there?
Oh, I think he was ordering
I have
another.
a black shirt on.
I think he was ordering another printer.
Okay, guys,
That's when you ordered
here's
another
the challenge. I'm going to make this big. You try to recreate it, and I'm going to switch over to you guys and see if it looks the same.
That's why he ordered another printer, and I had just found out.
Okay, so do that and freeze, and I'm going to switch over, and we're going to check it.
Wait.
Let me know when you're ready.
Yeah, wait. You gotta get Terry. Hold on. You gotta get your hand.
What was I holding?
You were holding something. That's close enough. And then I'll just do the.
It looks like a bill plate.
Wait. Yeah, it looks like a bill plate.
Quiet on the set. Quiet on the set.
Bill plate.
Holding a bill plate.
Bill plate. There's a bill
Oh, yeah, I
plate.
can see it. Dave, your hands are down.
Wait, my hands were down.
The head's
here.
tilted to the right.
The shirt was straighter. And my
Tilt
head
your
was
head.
Makeup.
We can fix it in post production.
Okay, here we go, guys.
Yes.
Okay, screenshot. That one's even better.
That's the loony version. The Monty Python loony version.
Print it.
It's like,
Thanks, Sean.
I don't know. I really don't remember what it was.
It was just so priceless. I had to catch it.
Funny.
Yeah, I never worked around a studio, huh? Okay.
It was like, huh?
Yeah, I think he said he was getting a new printer, and he thought I didn't hear him.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's right. I think it was about the Max.
Oh.
I think it was. Yeah. Are we getting a Max? And then we ended up with a Max.
Because I told him there were printers until the Voron's finished.
So Sean,
Oh, the secret's
Sean,
out now?
Can you fix the eyes in post-production? Just use the eyes from the previous cut on there, okay? They'll never be able to tell the difference.
Oh.
Yeah.
Terry, remember what I kept saying about, I could see about his hotel, and I kept saying Max?
Yeah.
Are you guys at Max yet? And
then I ended up with the Max. That's what I can't even get me in trouble.
Yeah, I try to catch him when I see him.
This is my cool inside camera in the CO2 laser, and this is it engraving, and then it's about to cut the 5 mil clear acrylic.
You need to angle it down just a hair though.
Yeah, well, I guess I do, but this is real life speed.
There it
Pretty
goes.
cool.
Now David, Terry, notice the smoke?
See, there's smoke there, baby.
But the smoke, you notice the smoke is all being, it's all being pulled back to the back of the printer.
Yep.
To the back of the laser, out of the thing. There you go. That's it. That's
what
all.
are you saying about the smoke?
Terry always panics anytime we cut wood, and she sees a little bit of the fumes coming off underneath. Is that normal? It's got smoke coming out of it.
Oh yeah.
When you're cutting, you want to see all that smoke.
Yeah.
So,
really, you do. What material was that, Tim?
that was 5 millimeter clear acrylic.
Acrylic, yeah.
Ooh, you definitely want to, Definitely want
you want to vent that. Yeah.
Yeah. That
'Cause,
stuff is
That
nasty
could,
smell.
that could be hard on the lungs.
Yeah.
See, I'm
And
thinking,
it stinks.
going right over there. There's wood that I can go out the side of the window up top here. Up above, oh, you can't see it here, but there's wood on the side. I can go through that way and put a hole and then vent out that way. Because the other day, I'm like, it's just so much work. So much work with these fume extractor that's not big enough, and then I have to keep putting the hose out the window every time we use the dog.
Hey Jack, how you doing? I just seen your comment. Hello, Marcel. We were talking about it earlier, Marcel, saying good things.
Yeah, I like Tim's setup where he's got it where you can just close it and open the valve on it. I think that's an awesome idea.
Yeah, so basically you've got, it goes out my window to the backyard, and then I've got these two, because I got two lasers, I got these two flaps. One opens the, here, let me put this down. So we have one on the bottom that goes to the CO2, and the one on the top goes to the diode. And you just pull whichever one you want to open, and then there's the big fan that sucks it all out, sucks it up, out the back window, and all the way back down to the backyard.
Yeah.
And that's a pot fan, right?
That's a for a grow-op fan.
That's a grow fan.
A grow fan.
Yeah, that's because the manual. You should see the manual for those things.
I know. It's all about the grow-op tent. Yeah, it is. But
see, that's where you go to a police auction and you get a deal on.
Filters. I used to have one.
Go to a police auction. That's a good idea.
Yeah.
Never thought of that.
Yeah,
They're not cheap.
No, they're not.
And the thing you got to do, remember to do, which I didn't remember on the diode, but I did on the CO2, is take there's a little built-in fan on your laser. Take that fan out.
Right.
Yeah.
And let your big blower do the work.
Yeah, so it doesn't obstruct that exit path.
Yeah, or it might over rev it, but mainly it'll probably just block it. Yeah.
Yeah, but no, well, I still have the fan in my S1, the diode laser. I forgot to take it out, but it doesn't hinder it. It works fine.
What inch is yours? The one right there? What inch?
What inch? This is, I believe, that's the 3-inch and then a 4-inch going into the CO2.
Okay.
So
yeah, because mine on my back wall, mine's a 6, and the
Yeah.
one in the garage is 8.
An 8. Wow, that's big.
Well, because it's 35 by 50.
Right.
Big CO2.
Yeah.
Yeah, on mine, on a calm day, because I pipe mine out the side, and then I have it running through 6-inch around to my yard. This way I don't blast my neighbors. Because on a calm day, I can open up my door, and it's just a fog.
Yeah, it looks like mine looks like a big dryer vent on the outside.
Mine's a 6-inch dryer vent
6-inch,
outside,
yeah.
but it's like right there and it's out the back.
Yeah, and I put a halfway down the backyard. I put one of those flaps in, so when the vent's on, it opens the flap, and then when it's off, it closes, so critters don't crawl up.
That's how it is at the window.
And a screen.
Yeah, and a screen at the end.
Oh, you'll know when you get a mouse caught in it.
My flap is magnetic, so when I start it up, I usually go out there and I click it open, and then when I'm done for the day, then I push it shut. My hand's got a magnet on it to hold it shut.
Yeah. The thing is, mine, it smells like campfire out back, so I figure the neighbors just think, oh, he's having a campfire.
Yes, it smells like a barbecue out there every time I go out
does.
there. See, in Texas, it's called a barbecue. In Canada, it's called...
Yeah, make me big.
But I have a barbecue on my deck.
Yeah.
You guys
So what do
see
you call
that?
it?
Oh, that's big.
Isn't that pretty colors?
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Looks like the B9 robot part.
Wow.
That's where it's fiber laser.
Well, the B9, yeah.
Well, the tubing,
The arms.
Yeah, and I guess it is 6-inch, which is I don't know. The robot is 4, isn't it?
I was messing around with those colors with that real.
Does the diode laser really put off that much as well? I guess it would, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Or the fiber laser, sorry.
Depends on what you're doing.
I mean, if you're lasering metal on a fiber laser, you really need a lot of ventilation.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because you're vaporizing it, and it's in the air.
And then like I learned from Patrick, you also have 2 fans on the front.
Mm. Okay, interesting.
That direct, push it that way too.
And the number one
that's
thing...
what Patrick does. Patrick's like my guru, but I haven't even seen him in
I got a little flexible air wand I got from Patrick, Light Source Engraving, and I angle that down at the front of the coin, turn on the air pump. And then on my back wall, when it gets exhausted outside, if I do a couple coins, you'll go out there and you'll see a bunch of brass stains on the wall.
Really?
Where the debris gets sucked out the back and it lands wherever it lands. Usually right around the wall on it, there'll be gold.
Check out the fins on your fan, or the fin, yeah. They'll get caked up pretty good.
Okay, it's like these 2 things.
Yeah.
They're tied together.
Yeah.
Those are cute.
Yeah, I got those also.
I dream of getting a fiber laser one day.
Want to buy one?
Huh.
I don't know. I dream of beanies.
$6,000 right now. Come on, $6,000.
Yeah, there you go.
I intend to ship.
Hey,
If I win
that was
the
7.
lottery.
I paid 7.
Wow.
Well, I mean, that's not bad if you look at it. My first laser was 15.
Wow.
Well, my Amaranth or the God, what is that?
My first laser was only $4.50.
So the CO2 in the garage was another 7.
Maybe when I hit 100 million subscribers,
com-
it must be.
Well, this is 14 years ago is when I bought my first one.
Yeah,
a lot has changed.
Yeah,
a lot.
Well, just like when the calculator first came out. You know what calculators cost?
Oh, they weren't cheap. They were expensive.
Yeah, leather smells really bad. I've never done leather. I've heard it smells really bad.
Oh.
It smells like ass, from what I've been told.
No, leather smells fine.
Leather.
Doesn't it smell like burning human flesh?
I've done leathers.
Have you done bone yet?
No bone.
Oh, that's even worse.
Leather definitely.
Oh man, no way.
Anybody here ever accidentally lasered their finger?
No.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
It smells nasty.
And I never told anybody anything.
Yeah, but I did. It's all healed.
Did it look like pork rind?
It did. It was really weird, It healed quite well, but it was the smell that got me, right?
Yeah. Tell the story how that happened, since you want to tell them.
Well, it was accidental when I was actually lining the laser. We had this open, and fortunately, it was only on very low power, maybe 20%. And I was tired. Don't ever do crap with your laser when it's safety overridden when you're tired. I had my finger on the little fire button here, and I had to move something down below here, and so I moved it, and I wasn't even thinking my hand wasn't out of the way. I hit the fire button, and the beam hit my pinky.
And there's a
That thing
safety
doesn't even
switch
have
on
a
the
safety
door.
switch.
There should have been a safety switch on the door. It shouldn't have fired.
You can bypass them.
There is a safety switch on the door, but when you're doing low power mirror alignment, it overrides the safety switch.
Oh, it's low power.
Wow.
Because it's low power.
Wow.
Imagine if I had had that up at around 80% power. Like, you know.
Yeah,
And that
John,
was a rock.
Yeah.
right by the garage, he graved hot dogs. So he
But-
shouldn't want to have to hot dog.
But the lesson behind that is don't do that crap when you're really tired.
Or drunk.
Or
How about when you first get your laser and you don't think it's working? I did that with the fiber.
Yeah.
Like, this damn thing ain't working. How's it
working? Stick your hand on.
Well, Marcel, you can buy tents on Amazon. They're laser tents. I have one in the garage. I'm selling for $20. And you can put up around it.
With the fiber, I never burnt myself. I burnt material.
Well,
My
you know the
bottom
cool thing
plate-
about a laser?
The bottom plate to my laser.
No, you got the raw beam, so you got lucky. But think about the focus beam. It'll cut but cauterize at the same time.
Yeah.
Well, exactly what it did.
The best of both worlds.
It
Do it, Terry.
cauterized because it didn't bleed.
Sit
It
down
didn't do
too soon.
anything. Yeah.
Like both types of music, country and western.
Damn right, you can smack the butt.
What movie is that from, boys and girls?
Well, Tech Keeper, I don't feel so bad now that somebody else out there has done that.
Oh, I
See,
have.
what else is there stupid?
And not on
you
low
can do?
either.
I've done some stupid stuff with a cable saw.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you ever had a nice kickback?
Oh
yeah.
kickback. Yeah,
Yeah, we
for sure.
got-
Yeah, those are fun.
I had
Right
one
to the
word
wash
into
machine.
bandsaw.
I did right into the wash machine. Wife comes out wondering why she got a dent in her wash machine.
Yeah.
Does burnt tubing count, by the way? Just asking for a
tubing.
friend.
Just asking for a friend.
Oh, Tim, freelaserfiles.com. On their paid Patreon, wild guess about how many files are there, 20 or 30?
Honestly, I haven't looked.
I don't
at them.
remember if you can preview them before you join the Patreon.
I'm not sure. I'll have a look for you right now, though. Hang on.
Right.
Just give me a minute.
Because I want to see if it's worth investing any money in paying for a month to go get some cool files.
Paul from Paul's Messy Workshop said that it is well worth it. And I haven't done it because I've been lazy and probably got so many things anyway to do. But he definitely says it.
Didn't you say that you spent like $200 and bought 100 million files from another
No,
company?
195 for Make CNC. Sean did too.
Yeah.
Sean's got them.
But you got thousands of files out of it, right? So you
Yeah.
really,
Oh yeah. It's like this is one of them. The which I'm still working on. But
Oh.
this is one of them.
that's looking good.
Well, yeah. Thank you. This is what the tanks ended up being like.
There you go.
Look
Oh
at that.
God,
Yeah.
the humanity!
Yeah.
Good God.
What's
Oh,
the
that was
proper
my.
name? A
Hey, let me clean
dirigible?
that lens.
A dirigible?
A dirigible? Is that what it's called?
I think this. I forgot the name of this one. That was on there.
Hey, are you gonna skin it?
I thought about it, but the way the ribs are, it'd be a little difficult. But
Okay, you know what this
No,
reminds me of?
fabric, a white fabric, and soak it in what? Mod Podge or something? Or I don't know.
well, like old silk and dope could do it that way.
Yeah, that would be really cool.
Anybody ever remember the old Vincent Price movie where he was the captain and he had prisoners on his airship? Vincent Price.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, I remember Vincent Price, but
Hey Al, like a lot of 3D models, Tech Keeper is wondering if those are stolen files.
Make
No.
CNC is not.
no, the Make CNC stuff is not. The
Matter
Make
of fact,
CNC stuff.
a lot of people stole their files.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
That's why they sold out. They were done.
Yeah, they got tired of stuff.
The
In
guy's
fact-
really cool too.
In fact, the same thing with freelaserfiles.com. The ads that you see that begin, I think, are where people have actually stolen their files and are selling them for $20-some. The stuff that's free.
In my videos, when I talk about everybody should read this, I haven't. after I recorded that, I actually clicked on them, and yeah, they're showing examples of stuff that people stole from them, and
Yeah.
they're sharing it up on Etsy, which I didn't read everything. Like I mentioned, everybody should do a video.
Masters of the World, 1961, Vincent Price. Master of the World, 1961, Vincent Price.
I
Stream it if
probably
you
have
can.
watched it. But
It's a cool movie, you know, for vintage.
I like Vincent Price.
Yeah,
he
he
acted
made a
really
good
well.
villain.
Okay, I think the Amazon guy is here. I see I'm the next stop, so I might have an unboxing. I'll be right back.
Cool.
No, I'm not going to have an unboxing.
I thought about it, but you know, with this printer, but nah. It's heavy. I know one thing. That printer is heavy.
Which one, Elegoo?
Yeah, I was surprised.
Yeah. Well, think back in the days when you got a CR10. If anybody had a CR10, they're very well built, great printers for $300.
Yeah, and this does have all the same modes as the X1C, like it's got Ludicrous, Board.
yeah.
It's got all the modes.
Well, that's good that you have both now, so you can, in your brain, you can do a direct comparison. You've used X1C for a few years now. Now you have this one that cost a
Yeah, and like I said, I can use
now.
the same, you know, same bed. You know, they're interchangeable.
Yeah, see, actually, I have bamboo beds above mine, and I've been tossing them back and forth.
Yeah, because I got
It's
a cool
perfect.
plate at that last show I went to. You know, I bought one of the cool plates, which I'm going to buy more. I love my cool plate.
Cannonball Run. I just dated you.
I don't remember how many movies there are. 2 or 3? Because there might have been a remake from the 50s version or something. Then they came back out in the late 70s, probably early 80s.
So now I did this. I got those plates.
Yeah,
These are the bamboo ones, but they work great on that guy.
I got some of those from AliExpress like that. That one side you just showed me, not the rainbow, but the other side. On that other one, not the rainbow, but that one. When I first got it and I took off the paper, I don't know why, but it's like my eyes were seeing lightning bolts run everywhere on it when I looked at it. I don't know if it's static electricity or what it was, but it really messed with my eyes. And then when I looked away, I was seeing it in midair.
I love these things.
What is that?
It's like
a smooth surface?
It's like a paper finish on it, 'cause I ripped mine on my X1C.
Oh.
It's like
It puts that pattern on your print.
Yeah, it does.
Like carbon fiber. It looks just like carbon fiber on it, on the bottom.
Cool.
And the wild part, this is what blew me out of the water. The first time I used it, the colors transfer.
What?
Oh, yeah. It's weird. It's just, if you use like a black filament, you get that reflection.
That's weird.
Oh, it's a trip.
You're not talking about the same effect, are you?
Yeah, you get the same effect.
Wow.
I'm really happy with the.
Here's what he just showed you.
Okay. Oh yeah, that's the other one.
That's the pattern you just looked at. See, it's on the print.
Yeah.
No, I don't know if you can see this. I just peeled this.
Right here, you'll see where I got a rip in the bed. It's here somewhere.
Oh.
I think it's down here.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, I noticed that mine does put a pattern on too, but yeah, the
I don't know if you can see it.
Yeah,
this
sure
is
can.
a little piece I just peeled off.
Sure can.
You can kind of see some color in it.
That is weird.
It's weird. It's cool.
So I do have an unboxing guide. It's not 3D printer related. It's not anything related, but I guess I could do it now or later. But it's a birthday present for Nana.
Or you could do it on your own live stream if you wanted. I mean, you can do it here if you want. I don't care.
Yeah, actually, I need to get it
content.
set up. I need to get it set up and going. So I will, but I'll trust me. I'm opening it up. Let's see if I can do this.
Yeah, on those build plates, I put
cool.
nanopolymer adhesive on all of them.
That's gonna be hard. I'll bring it up here. Let's see.
Oh, no, that would be
That's-
cool.
I was thinking about trying that with the laser engraving on one of the plates and see how it would transfer over.
Have Klondike.com like 100,000 times on the plate.
Yeah.
Well, if we got lasers, I wonder if we can make our own plates.
I got a box.
Ice maker.
Cool.
Yeah, yeah.
My son and my son and daughter-in-law have one. They said they still use it. I wonder how often you have to clean them so they don't get gunk in them.
I don't know. This one's supposed to produce 26 pounds of ice in 24 hours. If we do 1 pound, I think I'll be happy.
The last Prime days, I bought an ice cream maker.
What type of ice cream do you make?
I haven't even touched it yet.
Amazon has arrived. Let's see. Kilroy's got boxes. I've got a box I gotta go get from up front.
I got a tap coming today from Amazon. Let's see if it's.
And I tracked it, guys. I tracked it like from 6 stops away.
Yeah, mine's not the neighborhood. Sometimes the tracking don't work. They just show up. It's like, wait a minute, I couldn't track you.
Yeah.
Or it says that you're 8 stops away, and then they show up in 2 seconds.
So, trying to see if I can. See, I can't see the monitor. But that's it. Supposed to be able to make 26 pounds of ice a day.
About how much does that cost?
$79.
Cool.
Yeah, it's going to sit right on top of the water dispenser. We go get bottled water and dispense it in. So it'd be real easy to just take the water from there.
Probably have to pre-clean it.
Dump it on top. Yeah. But
you don't know how many roaches ran through it in China before they shipped it.
But still have ice up on top of it.
That's the same with clothes, you know. When I get new clothes, I smell them, I put them on and wear them. It's the same thing. I don't know what crawled on them before they were packaged.
Or who put them on before you?
Nana got me some new pants yesterday, and that's the first thing they hit.
So
they hit the washer.
Now, Al, did you say you were going to do bubble hash? That's why you needed it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's what I thought.
I got some nice shorts on my sister got me at Goodwill. So even though I'm all grown up, my older sister still gets me stuff.
Can't beat that. That's nice work.
Supposed to give what's called a it's on the tip of my tongue, but like little cylindrical pieces of ice.
Or like the little tube.
Yeah, it's weird because if you look in there, there's just those rods sticking down. That's where the ice forms and then falls down.
Huh.
Yeah.
They all fall down.
Yep. And supposedly you're supposed to be able to have different types of ice too. I think that's what I read. But
what?
The little scoop.
You said types of ice?
Yeah. Well,
oh, you mean like crushed or?
Yeah. I think right, exactly.
Different sizes of ice.
Or sizes. Sizes.
I was gonna say types. What?
Wow.
And I'm wondering if I have
you see that, Al?
Look at that.
Al.
Oh, no. It's here.
Exactly.
There's a lot of stuff that's here.
Tim don't have to go upstairs for drinks.
Tim, you like it, Tim?
Oh, I love it. Yeah.
I'm hoping that Nana does. This thing's got a little basket in it. I wonder if the basket has to stay in it. I don't see why it would.
Paper with pictures. Look at that. Open up.
Wait. Now I got to ask Tim. You guys have 7-Elevens in Canada?
Oh, of course. Yeah.
We lost ours here.
Yeah, the basket stays in it because if you don't leave the basket in it, the ice cube falls back into the water and melts.
Well, see, the water is not. The water. Well, I guess. So that is where the water goes.
Yeah.
Right.
You fill the water under there. There's a line that says it to here. There's a fill line, and then you put the basket in, and the basket puts the ice goes into the basket, and then as the ice melts, it goes back into the water, but it continues to make ice. And when it's full, it stops making it until you take some out.
ice maker.
It puts the ice in the basket, or else it gets the hose again.
It gets hosed otherwise. Do you like it? Do you like it, Cyberjack? I hope you do.
White.
What do you got there?
Yeah, there's a chain. I mean, we got them here, but I wish there was more. Maverick. You ever get a Maverick? Those stores are the bomb.
Yeah, I have one down in my studio and I have one upstairs.
A whole bunch of filaments.
What is new brand?
No, that's just Kangaroo. They're just giving new boxes now.
Oh, okay.
I didn't get it yet, Dave.
Right now.
This is pretty.
This is a red. It looks like a fire engine red.
It's Filament Christmas, guys. Filament Christmas.
If you haven't done it yet, please like, subscribe, and share. I would greatly appreciate it to help the channel grow. Smash that like button.
Plain black. How many yellows did we get? Oh, no,
I like that those are real grills instead of cardboard.
We're using yellow right now.
Those are plastic grills.
I need to find a burnt orange color.
Burnt orange. That's good. None of yellow.
Have
So yeah,
one
just
of
the
those.
bright colors.
Set it some orange in your laser when you're doing the wood project next to it. You'll get burnt orange.
There we go.
Never mind, don't do that.
I know, she's gonna know.
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, last night, who was the guy on your live stream? I don't think he should have done this on camera when he took the spray bottle and lit it up, made a torch out of it.
That was Nathan.
That was Nathan.
He shouldn't have done that. Somebody might give bad ideas, or somebody's watching. They go, "Hey, Mom, look, that looks like fun. Let me go try it." You know?
Yeah, we talked to him after stream.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a YouTube video where some guy caught somebody in his backyard, like he was wearing camouflage, some freaky dude. Oh man! And then he tries to pull a knife on this guy, you know, the one with the camera.
Huh.
Yeah, he got arrested, but yeah, for feel like he's trying to, you know, do an arson job.
Oh, look at green.
But yeah, whoever did big lighters and Aquanet back in the day.
Or spray paint even, yeah, ant. But they shouldn't show it on a live stream. That's my point.
I know.
That wasn't smart.
Yep, won't happen again.
Moving forward, we're going back to Dave and I.
Or who would dig a big hole in his backyard, throw some gasoline in a match?
I don't know about my phone.
Yeah, I don't know how you control everybody at once, Jerry. I don't know how you do it unless they come in and go nuts.
I did that on purpose though because I was trying to burn something.
I had to deal with Canyon ice cream.
Hey, when did Marcel in Canada win filament from you guys? Read the screen. Comment on the screen.
Wait, what TPU? I'm trying to remember all fastest. Oh, he probably did. I gotta look and see. I have to look up everybody's list because we have a few people that have missed. I know that Rob's stuff got sent out already. Jerry's stuff got sent out already.
Yeah.
And I think there's like 4 or 5 other roles I gotta play catch up on.
All
and still figure out who I'm missing.
All the filament that I give away, the companies mail out. And then if I do stickers, I get them in the mail that day or the next day.
I don't remember what this was.
I wish it was a company doing it, but it's me. So it's me being Dave, and we all know how great I am at making sure everything is done.
That gets expensive, all the shipping charges. I've seen what the stuff cost you sent me, and that's a small fortune to mail that.
So watch out.
Dave, you use Pirate, right? Dave.
Watch the fan.
Hold on, I got fans. I can't hear you. Hold on, let me turn it up.
You use Pirate, right?
I use what?
Pirate
ship.
Pirate ship.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Arg.
For what?
Shipping stuff.
Yeah.
Oh, no. God, no. Most of my stuff comes directly either from the manufacturer or Amazon directly.
No. When you ship something from your house, are you using Pirate Ship to purchase the label to put on the package?
No, Dave puts it in a box and then walks over to the UPS or to USPS and then sends it out.
That's why they delayed.
That's why it takes so long, because I got to walk there.
Yeah, I use pirate ship, and then I drop it off at a guy. He's an independent. Oh, we got a raid coming in with 86 people. Wow.
Wow.
Great.
Welcome, Raiders on Twitch. Chaos Trucker. I hope you had a great stream. Welcome, welcome.
Welcome.
Awesome. My name is Jerry with 3DHP, and each and every Saturday, 12 p.m. Pacific, I go live on YouTube and Twitch. We got makers from around the world. We're not starting another stream. Don't bark at me. Anyway, we talk about 3D printing and lasers and resin and food and all kinds of anything and everything that we're working on. But yeah, I hope you had a great stream. Thank you very much. Please follow. I really appreciate it. If you got a comment, leave it down below. We'll try to answer your question. And yeah, I live in Vegas. I got too many hobbies, and we got people here from all the country right now. And the world. We got Canada here too. Here's Tim, DeWitt 3D right here. And here's Al.
Oh, that's a Texas.
And Klondike 3D. And these people, I don't know who they are. They just jumped in earlier.
3D&T.
3D&T, 3D printing. They stream every Saturday night, 8:59 p.m. Pacific. They're doing a drive right now for cancer, and they've been on almost every night this week. And are you guys going to be on tonight?
Yes, we'll be on tonight.
Tonight at 11:59.
There we go.
11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 8:59 Pacific Standard Time. And we're actually going to try to get the Voron working again.
Come check us out.
Awesome. And this is Kenny. He lives in Henderson, Nevada, working on a printer. He's not there at the moment.
He has the Invisible Man.
But we always have lots of cool stuff going on. So please follow, leave a comment in the stream. And Chaos Trucker, if you haven't already left, I thank you very much for the raid. I really appreciate it.
This is just amazing. This is just amazing. I don't know if I can show this, but if you let me, Jerry, it's the breakup of this little machine, the parts blow.
There you go.
Look at this. I mean, there's a little refrigerant plant in there, refrigerator, and then a water recycler because it brings it up and down. But that's really well designed for being less than a foot by a foot, a cubic foot, I guess.
Yeah.
But anyway,
wow.
I'm just amazed. Yeah, that's what it's supposed to be, and that's what it looks like. I don't know. I just think that's awesome. But then I'm a geek, so that would make sense, right?
Can I announce this other person from Canada? Tim.
Other person?
Yeah, Tim.
Other person.
Can I say what I just got messaged?
Sure.
My good friend up in Canada gifted me a 3-month access to freelaserfiles.com. Very much. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Really, really appreciate that.
Listen, I appreciate what you do for all the makers out here. So, hey, you deserve it.
Thank you, my friend.
Correct.
Anybody like my smile?
And here is Kenny, everybody that came over from the raid. This is Kenny.
That's an Amazon smile if I ever saw one.
Did Kenny get a package?
I have an envelope thing, yes.
What's in it?
Has it been kept?
Something really exciting. Something real exciting. Bearings and nozzles.
Ooh.
Bearings and nozzles.
So it wasn't kept?
Oh, hardened nozzles.
Hardened steel?
I find that hard to believe. Sorry.
There's the bearings, which you probably can't even see.
Anything.
Ooh. Here's the nozzles. And that because that is the one issue this Telugu has is its nozzle.
Nozzles, huh?
So yeah.
Yeah, the only one I've seen that had the issue was Dave.
Wait.
What? For what?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm the only one. I'm the only one who's had that problem. I have not seen anybody else had that issue yet on the Century Carbon. Other machines, but not the Century.
Look at these bearings. Ooh, look how tiny those things are.
Yeah.
Those actually go on the head on the stealth burner for Voron.
You know something I don't like about EV Mux for those people on here that do use it? When I double click on somebody like Kenny, I double click to make them small. My comments went away. It's back on layers, and then I got to click on comments to bring up the comments again.
Ah.
I'd say we go back to that first one.
$50 a month is out of my league. No.
Yeah. I ordered the wrong type of filament.
Did you really?
Yes, I did.
Oh no.
This one seems to be working fine. I haven't had no real issues with it. At $25 a month, EV Bucks, 1082.
What do you need, PLA?
I like EV Bucks.
I needed PLA and I bought Pet G. Oh well. Now I got a whole rack of Pet G.
So how easy is this nozzle to take off? Oh, and by the
Or
way,
you have
Dave,
a whole rack of giveaways.
when you
No,
opened,
because
when
then
you
I have to
opened up,
ship it.
when you opened up your printer, was your it's like the first reel I put on was that light blue to make the poop or the the poops toilet. Anyways, a little bit of like green came out. That did they test yours too?
They pre-test all printers before they ship them, ever they're supposed to.
Well,
Yeah, they should have lube. Mine had lube on it, but it wasn't a whole bunch of extra gunk on it. No.
Yeah, but yeah, mine had green on it.
Yeah, and every printer I can think of, when I run my color through, a little bit of something else comes out of the nozzle. You out there, Tim?
Now those are bearings, Kenny. And those bearings go with, hang on a second here.
Fidget spinners? What are they, 2208s, I think?
I forget what they are.
I don't remember the 2208's the right word, but my brain...
Yes.
But those bearings are going to go with these bolts.
I think Horst Drucker's German, yeah.
And that is what is used to assemble what I am making, which is this.
Oh, cool.
I'm making one of these. This is on the free laser files. Jerry will have access to that.
That's nice.
So that's a lot of pieces and a lot of work to put that together, but it's going to be funky. I love that's hypnotizing. So,
Is it a string on a weight? What keeps it running?
It's the weight of the water bottle.
Okay.
Are you going to paint it?
I'm thinking I'm going to paint it red and white for Canada. Yeah. Yeah.
Hey, Tim, question. Another question. Have you talked to Dave lately?
Have I talked to Dave lately? Dave who?
Roderick David. The older gentleman. He had cancer.
Oh no, I didn't. No.
So it's been a while, huh?
It's been a while.
Curious.
Yeah.
Yeah, because he sent me a maker coin a long time ago, and I need to just reach out because he does go on YouTube sometimes.
Oh, okay.
Huh. Just curious. He just seems like a nice guy.
Right. Dave. Yeah, I know who you mean.
Yeah, he's got quite the assortment of printers.
Yeah, he's the one that made my clock for me. Yeah.
Yeah, he's got all those weird clocks. Yeah.
Yep. No, I haven't talked to him in a long time, actually, come to think of it. Yeah, hopefully everything's okay in his end of the... I'll have to reach out to him.
Yeah.
Hey, Dave, you see his question from Cos Bricks?
Yes. If you put a hardened steel on the A1, you can print CF, PET CF, but you don't want to run it off of the AMS or AMS light. I mean.
Yeah.
Just run it just by a spool by itself. Otherwise, it gets broke off in the PTFE tube.
Yeah.
Because it's so brittle. Unless you dry the hell out of it, that's more brittle.
I want to ask this for Sean, since he's got factory P1S, right? Oh, can't hear you, Sean. But
dang nabbit.
How's that?
There you go.
No, I just popped open a box to see. This is the nozzle for mine, and it's steel. I mean, don't they come steel or no? I don't know if you can read it or not.
I don't know. Oh, it's trash.
yeah, that's the bamboo nozzle.
All kinds of...
My linear rails that I got that are like 5 foot long for my CNC in the garage, a lot of them I found online were all aluminum rails, everything, the shaft, the base, everything, and I had to have steel up top and be more rigid. And it took me forever to find the right company at the right price that had them. And the first thing I did, I opened them up, took them out of the pack, laid them on my CNC to make sure they wouldn't teeter-totter, and they're flat, and then I grabbed the magnet to make sure they were metal. Steel.
They're hardened steel.
All right, Elegoo guys, I do have a question.
Go ahead.
What is carbon about this carbon printer?
The carbon is supposed to not. The tip technically is supposed to be able to allow it to print hardened steel.
No, where is it? Because like on a bamboo, it's the rods. The rods are carbon.
No. Just like the think of the K1C, which is the K1 carbon. It's also doesn't have carbon rods on it. It's just the aspect that it can print engineering material, aka carbon fibers and infills, different things like that.
Yeah, because bamboo, the X1C, that is carbon.
Well, so is the P1S. The P1S has carbon rods also.
All right, I can't get this son of a gun off.
All right, I've been streaming for 3.5 hours. I'm going to get out of here in a minute, but I want to go around and ask everybody where you're streaming, where people can find you, if that's okay. Starting with Al.
Oh, that's. It scared me, Al.
I lost. Yeah, right. I can be found Kilroy79763 both on YouTube and on Twitch. And what I'll be doing is I'll be starting this right here, which is the regular Enterprise tonight at I got to think 7 p.m. Central real time, 8 p.m. Eastern. But 7 p.m. Central, just over 7 p.m. Central. So
nice.
I've got this stuff primed. We're going to paint on it some.
Very cool. Hey, Tim.
Hey, I am Tim. I am DeWitt 3D and Laser. I am streaming tomorrow afternoon, Sunday, 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. I have no clue what we'll be doing yet, but we always have fun.
Thank you, sir.
Klondike. You can find me YouTube, internet, klondike.com. I love trains, 3D printing, and all the cool stuff. Tonight, I'll be hanging out with Ryan at Arbeller Designs as we make it up as we go. Wednesdays, 10 o'clock Central, the real time. Coffee with Klondike. Come hang out.
Thank you, sir.
Oh.
I got a problem before we all leave.
Okay.
When I go to turn the nozzle, the whole heater wants to turn.
Oh.
Yeah, you got to hold it with a
wrench.
Pair of wrench. That's what I do with mine.
Well, hi. We are 3DMT. We stream every Saturday at 11:59 Eastern. What time is standard?
It's Pacific. It would be 8:59 p.m.
8:59 p.m.
So yeah, we're streaming tonight. Last night for the Stand Up to Cancer campaign, and we're gonna make it hot with some hot sauce.
Ooh.
You gonna get what?
Not me.
Making it hot with some hot sauce tonight.
We got a bunch of hot sauce bottles there. 4 of them.
There's 5 actually.
Not for me.
Very cool. And I'm Jerry with 3DHP. I stream every Saturday at 12 p.m. Pacific, live on YouTube and Twitch. We will be back next week, and we're going to see if anybody else has anything. If not, if you're watching on Twitch, we're going to raid out. Tim, thank you very much for the gifted membership to freefiles.com, the Patreon for 3 months. Really appreciate it. And congrats to the winners who won the filament out there today from Polymaker and Ziltech. We try to do that each and every week. And I guess that's about it. And thank you for the raid that came in. If anybody's still here, appreciate all you guys. We have 54 people still watching. 18 on YouTube and 36 on Twitch. Yeah, I wish you could have rated in sooner because I've been on for 3.5 hours and I'm getting tired. But, please give me a follow on Twitch. I'd really appreciate it. Give me a follow on YouTube. If you got an Amazon Prime you're not using, you can buy a month subscription on Twitch. But if nobody else has anything, I'm going to raid out with all the Twitch people. I'm going to raid into the Free Heathen. We get that started right here.
Yeah.
Bye, everybody. Y'all come back now. You hear?
We get the raid going here right now on Twitch. So everybody on Twitch, have a great day. If you're watching on YouTube, I don't have an exit screen. I've never made one up yet. But you have a great day. Everybody on camera here, thank you for coming on. Appreciate it. And we'll see you later.
See all you guys later.
Always try to watch you, Kenny. You have a great day, and we'll see everybody soon.